malugo kunye nedelumba opudiro nyekerani chukuna malugo yobiya diocha Ogayara choro kogbenye biri Ogayara choro kogbenye rieni Ogbenye chekubezi achukwu Nuche chukwu abụzi ka yeme Nuche chukwu abụzi ka yeme lụa Iyo soro n'iru nyasi aribazi ya Ogbenye bebe Ogayara nguriba Ogbenye nguri ogayara jadi yesoro ya Mana ogayara nguwa Ogbenye abịabebe si akwa Ogayara choro kogbenye biri Ogayara choro kogbenye rieni Ogbenye chekubezi achukwu Odiri muma ya diri bemo Odiri nwoke ma ya diri nwanyi ma Nanokwa n'ebe berugo beru Odiri muma ya diri bemo Odiri nwoke ma odiri nwanyi ma Okwa na sanya nna n'igadi Ogayara choro kogbenye biri Ogayara choro kogbenye bieni Ogbenye chekubezi achukwu
The black man. Watch what you say. Bad man, we gonna be proud where you come from. Send him message across the nation. Tell all the children of rising sun. Say I'm original Biafran. I'm original Biafran. Send my message across the nation. Tell all the children of rising sun. Say I'm original Biafran. Yeah, I'm original Biafran. I want to tell my not chawago. Oh, Hamadi can live, not potago. Apollos young, man, no meligo. Obodo na da yaka delugo. Mwaji ofi, man, no kuligo. Mwana mo, no kuligo. Chupo kikapia, man, pido god. Nde saputu asende Michigan. Ancestors ndi bona salugo. If you're not north and west, uswe erosion. I'm original Biafran. I'm original Biafran. We're gonna be proud where you come from. Send him message across the nation. Tell all the children of rising sun. Say I'm original Biafran. I'm original Biafran. Send my message across the nation. Tell all the children of rising sun. Say I'm original Biafran. Yeah, I'm original Biafran. The black man. Watch what you say. Bad man, we gonna be proud where you come from.
It's the time where every media handle supposed to focus and spread the good news that Biafra is no longer a government in exile, that Biafra now is a nation, that the world should recognize that Biafra nation. Remember, once a nation is being declared from exile, it is no longer a government in exile. Every Lazar office automatically turned to embassy. this time that we had, this festival time, is a time to spread the news that Biafra is no longer a government in exile. Biafra now is a nation in Biafra land. So therefore, anybody still hanging on a platform of government in exile should exist from there. It is no longer government in exile because it has been declared. It is a nation, the United States of Biafra nation. We are here this evening to educate those of you who are ignorant.
What do you believe in Nigeria?
If Nigeria ever works, I am saying this publicly, let the university that gave me my certificate and degree, I graduated with first class honors, let them withdraw it. I will tear my document, I will tear my certificate if Nigeria works, because it will prove this is my thesis, documented, supervised by professors. This is a research that took me 4 solid years to research about Nigeria and the solution for Nigeria. And the solution is, ladies and gentlemen, we can walk. There is no amount of prayer, no amount of government, no amount. We are in a diplomatic hostage.
Diplomatic hostage.
Okay, so this is 55 pages document in total.
The document is all about Nigeria can never work.
It can.
The only man that documented 49 pages, proving with an evidence, written down that Nigeria can never work.
All right, welcome back to my channel. Good morning to you. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope all is well with you. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's very, very important that you do so. I hope all is well with you. We are here to give you updates on what is going on in Finland. As you know, this morning, Biafrans have gathered there already. Please put your comments so that I will know how many of us that are here this morning. We are just 7 minutes of the program, and we are going to spend time in this live stream just to cover whatever we can lay hands upon to give you what is going on there, like we normally do. Then again, according to the updates, Lazuba have started her drama this morning in Finland. She have started her drama, and like she normally do anyway. Anna Ibachara, I see you. You are the first to comment this morning. I see you, Anna Ibachara. How do you do? There were Anna Ibachara. We have Chidoke Maaze. Good morning, bros. There were Chidoke. And we have Anna Ibachara said, I cannot believe it that today I came in time. You are the first. You are the first, to be honest. This is just 8 minutes. You see, sometimes we start earlier, on time by before this hour, like 1 hour earlier. But something happened that I cannot resist it. All right, sorry about that. Jubilee, is that? I greet you. So let me share you one of the video this morning of what happened in Finland as we are waiting for more updates. Peace me said He said, good morning, Kai. Lazuba is just Nigerian's agent and devil advocate. You are not far from the truth, to be honest with you. Many people already know that. Alowere said, good morning, Kai, and to all genuine Biafrans. Good morning to you, Edith. Edith said, good morning, everyone. Good morning to you, Edith. So don't forget to like the video, like I said.
Arrived inside the court premises. Mazi, yeah? Good morning. You just arrived?
Yes, we just arrived.
Pastor's place.
United States of Biafra, the turnover is around, and we believe that at the end of the day, our PM Simon Ekpa is coming out so that we can continue where we stop. Yes. We are going home. Thank you all Biafrans. Thank you all Biafrans in diaspora. Keep your faith strong because thank you.
Thank you.
Biafrans. They want Biafrans.
As you can
see in front of me. And I want to encourage every Biafran to follow their government because you don't have any other government than the United States of Biafra. Your Prime Minister have told you, your Deputy Prime Minister has made it very clear to you. You don't need anybody to distract you. What you need is to follow your government. You will do this quickly. Give our Prime Minister and our William This is a few minutes we're going to enter the court. Yeah.
Okay, we see name for the guy now. This is the name and the name.
And I'm going to say some more.
Who know let
it's a moon walk on super. It's a moon walk. It's a moon walk.
Yeah.
You know why they would.
Good morning, Honorable. How do you feel today?
Today, in short, I just made me be afraid to I see no rugo, no moment when I was. I know Nanke, Eba no district court, Kanyo, Onisiani, our Prime Minister, Simon Ekpa, Biafran Prime Minister, US Prime Minister, and our spokesman, Eba Kaino, Kaiwere, 25th of August 2026. These 2 days, we had Biafra Biafra. Tata Kaina, Prime Minister Yesu, Nala, Obia Chiani. vote ahụ promisiri anyị. And anyị na-asị na Biafra land ọwụwa is all over the world. Unu cheta mbọsị onye isi anyị na-asị ka Chukwu dozere ya tata anyị ataghị ahụhụ ahụ
Thank you so much. Honorable Okwa, what can you tell the world today?
As in Kanjiro, there were all Biafrans, they no know. As for Kanjiro, they came Biafrans, they no know.
Do not mind the distraction, okay? Concentrate.
Actually, that the freedom is here. And with that, I'd be very happy that we came here. And I believe at the end of the day that our PM Simon Ekpa is going home with us. Not even Nigerian terrorists is going to stop us.
He said,
and then ndị Igbo tụrụ n'isi na ebe bere ugwu ibe ebere ma nke si ibe ebe na nkịta na ọ bụrụ sọsọ nwụ ya gwa mana aka na ọba ya eji
ise Thank you, everyone. I can see everyone is. Wow, I feel completely extraordinary happy today because I know everything is going as we expected it to be. As we all are here today, we come to give our Prime Minister the best solidarity he deserves, he wants from United States of Biafra, and we all gathered here again. Irrespective of what is happening, what is going on, we are here today.
Yes.
Thank you, everyone. In no longer time, we will be entering inside the court. Then we bombard everything. Freedom. 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 Thank you.
And then yes, and we have arrived, and I'm waiting for the time for the public hearing when the door will be opening, and then people will go in. Biafrans are here from all corners of the world, and then it's a great thing for us to be here today, and then also to witness what is going to happen today. So I thank everybody. Yes, recorded, yeah. So, yes, what can you say? First of all, this is Honorable Benchuk. So, what do you have to say before we go inside now the court? What is your experience and what do you see that is going on and how do you feel it? What do you have to tell Biafrans now?
Well, today is 25th of August, 2026. As we came today for the final appeal court of our Prime Minister, Simon Ekpa, everything is moving as usual. So we are waiting to enter to the court room to see hear the final verdict of what is going on. As we arrive here in the court, there are so much drama from the so-called people, but it's not deterring us. We don't look at any distraction at all. We're only here for business of the day, and we know at the end of the day, victory will be ours. The verdict will be on our side. Thank you so much.
Thank you. You're welcome.
All right, welcome back. This is just a short clip from Finland this morning. Many people are dropping their own short video and all that, but we are going to see if we can, bring them to you. And we are waiting for live updates from people that are there to tell us what is going on there and all that. So that is the reason why we are here this morning, to keep you informed, to keep you updated. So please, if you join us, it will be very, very nice of you to put a comment so that we know that you are here. Like Asatina has done. Chuku, let me call you Chuku because I don't know the other one people there. But this is not Chuku to them. Chuku be there. I don't understand. Please, they are one word. As I say, good morning. Is one name. Good morning to you, my sister. Greetings to you, Asatina. Omaka Mary, yes, so they want to reference. And God bless PM Obatobi. Now, I want to say something because Lazuba, if you can, I don't know if you manage to pick one or two things from background, you can hear she was singing, I can't see for Baba go for, I can't see for that go for, and all that. I'm actually not here for Lazuba because there's so many things to talk about Lazuba, but if I have time, I will may talk about her, but not every time because there's no need to waste time talking about a mad woman constantly. That may make you start looking like a madman also. So you can only discuss about them randomly, not focusing on them constantly. This is my own opinion anyway. So I'm speaking. I'm not representing anybody. I'm not condemning those that are talking about. If you are talking about her everything, I'm not. It's okay. I'm not saying you should that we are doing bad thing. But from my own angle, there's no need. There's no need. It is very, very clear now. Very, very, very clear that she's up to something. Is either that she's representing those that are going after your life, or she's just naturally mad. Two things are involved, and you cannot take it away from her. You see, that's why we need to be careful. We need to be kind of cautioned the way we present our issue. Chichi Nwa, I see you, Chichi. Greetings to you. And we have Francis Okpala. Francis Okpala, I see you. We also have Kings of Harmonican. I believe this is your channel, my brother. I can remember this your account. You're welcome. And Ihan Nacho Franklin. I see Ihan Nacho. We also have Chichindo, Innocent. Innocent, you are welcome. We have our own brother, Oluchiwa Goro, to Omawa Chineke. I dey here one Olia. Oganda and we have Jonas or Johnson Paul. I see you, Johnson. And Edith. Okay, I said my greeting already to Edith. Teaching was said Lazuba is paid to do this. Yeah. I agree with you 100%. 100%. There's no two ways about it. PC, I see you. And Steve Ede, greetings to you, Steve. Henry Ejofo, God bless you. Steve Ede, please, I noticed that we have new people. So if you don't mind, please subscribe to the channel. Okay, subscribe. And once you subscribe, turn your bell notification on. I will try my best to check other things that is going on somewhere there to keep you updated. This morning we have Ada Simon there. We have Ben Chicks. Don't be surprised if Red Tie Briggy decided to cook up something to restrict people from entering court. Don't be surprised. I made that prediction, but today we shall know how deep, how rooted they are with Finland or Finnish people. But you can see the bitterness in their mind when the audio was released. They don't like it at all. Why? Because Like Barrister said last night, the audio spoiled a lot of things for them. We all can say that it's not hidden. It's not hidden. They are not happy at all. They are actually not happy because of that singular act. You see, we also need to understand something here. That's Simon. Okay, this updates is old. Into the tree now. Okay, you know what? Let me use the opportunity and drop my link for those of you that want to chip in one or two things this morning. So while we are waiting for more updates to come, okay, I'm gonna drop a link. So if anybody that want to come in, you can come in and comment while we are waiting, because this is live update. Okay, live update is like this. We don't need to do it. There's no special protocol. We have to present it direct from the source. So the link will be on the comment section this morning. Those of you that maybe you notice something or something is you're kind of worried about one or two things and you want to hear from your fellow Biafrans, you can come in and discuss it here live and direct. We have I can see our brother Franco Koye. I see you. So you are awake. I thought you'd be tired based on what happened last night. We spent a very long time yesterday, and finally you are here this morning with us. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Please, like I said, the link is here on the comment section. If you want to chip in one or two things, you can come in. The update that we have now is that Lazuba started her shenanigan. I don't want to play the audio, okay, because I don't have the permission from the person that sent me the audio to play it. But what I was told there is that Lazuba is doing her crazy stuff like she normally do live in Finland. So just have that in mind, because why? Alan I why do all carry that carry keep baswa. Alan I had too much, all the way too much. That's why sometimes I wonder why people are following this a woman that paraded herself as an educated woman, and you know what Lazuba can do. You know who is Lazuba. The woman is not hiding her activities. You know, her intention is made known to everybody. She told you that no matter whoever that want to fight for Biafra or they do anything, that she's going to sabotage. She did not say that, hiding. She said it live on air. Yes, somebody who wants to be a leader, who is pushing to become leader, even though she don't have what it takes. She don't even know how to respect the rule of authority. She don't know. She just like she drive joy undermining every single thing that the Biafrans are doing or leaders are doing, because she thinks that she's not the one leading. Therefore, whatever that comes from all the leaders must be, disobeyed and countered. That is the same woman that is now welcoming Lazuba. Lazuba did not hide her agenda. She told you that whoever that will come to lead or whoever that is going to push for Biafran, independent or freedom, that she will sabotage it. She did not hide it. She told you one-on-one. She said it direct. She's not hiding it. She's not saying anybody. She made it known to everybody. Yet, you want to cover her, you want to harbor her in your camp. What that makes you what? We have a man as a Greg in the building. Please unmute your mic, sir. Good morning.
Yeah, Mazika, good morning. Good morning, Biafrans. Omakamere Biafrans. To thank God again this morning for the opportunity to be alive, stand in the land of the living. It is a great joy. May the name of God be praised. Thank God for our leader Mazin Namdekano. Thank God for Dr. Ngozi Arabeze's life and all the cabinets. We thank God for our PM, who is in the court today. We thank God for his life, that he is still alive facing these charges, that God will lead him out today and tomorrow. Our prayer is that let heaven open, that every word that will come out from him will be a favor to him, that he will be favored before the eyes of the judges. We call upon
Yes,
the Most High God to surrender all the whole of that arena, especially inside the court. May
sir.
God send all his angels in battalions to come and fight this battle, because it's not by power, neither by might, it's by his grace. So we pray that today nothing will hold him down, not to speak that freedom from heaven. Everything that will come out from him, from his mouth today, will be of God to set him free. That is our prayers. That no power, no kingdom will hold him down, no spirit, no man or woman will hold our PM not to speak, and the word he will speak will be a freedom for him and for Biafra. That is our prayers. That any person that is in that place that with any negative mind, any person that contact with any hate, any person that contact with any evil plans, any person that come there not to support our PM to come out from that prison, may everything they plot backfire against them. If they come there to make problem, when they, as they will be living, the heaven will strike them down. Their ways be dark and slippery, and the angel of God will destroy them. Every accusation, every lie, every backbiting, every fake testimony and evil plan against the Biafrans, against PM, will not stand. As he said, there is no weapon designed against us, against PM, that will stand today. So God will arise from east, west, and south, and the enemies of PM and the enemies of Biafra will scatter. Father, take absolute control of the arena. Take absolute control of the arena. Those who come with hate, may everything they plot fall back on them. If they wish the Biafrans coming to Finland to assist our PM evil, let those evil come double upon them. Let those evil they plot never escape them. Let them fall into the pit and holes they dig against the innocent ones. Chineke ihe niile abụ ihe anyị na ya kwe na ị ga-emezuru ya site na Kraịst onye nwe anyị. Amen. Yes,
Amen.
Maazị.
Amen. Amen.
Na ịma like yesterday program na nke Leta Nna na nke Ekele Nna, and yesterday when if you remember when our brother Obi come in, when he asked question about that, what I said, that these people, their plan is to make sure that everything that the United States of Biafra is doing will not work. They want to set us backward because of their evil agenda. You know what really happened? What is really happening is all these people you see, they are with different sponsors. Some come from DOS, some come from Eastern politicians, some come to scatter because they don't believe in what we are doing. So all of them with different sponsors, but one agenda. One agenda is to make sure that the United States of Biafra will not stand. And instead of it to stand, they will scatter everything. Because see, there is no reason or ever what will make somebody who came to stand for Mazi Simon Ekpa and the PM, who say he believes in freedom. And when you come, you see the kind of evil they're doing. You see the kind of egwu ọ na-agba na-atụfu okwu. And most of the time, that's like just like our PM said, ihe ha na-eme ihe na project on another person. That is 100%. What they do is what they accuse other people just to camouflage if anything happens, so that people will not look towards them that this is what they did or this was what their plan is. So what they do is they put those things on another people's. That is the way Nigerian government have been doing. When they do something, they will put it on another person's head. That is what you see still playing out in that Finland court. And that is what they ask them to be doing. Because tell me, my brother, if I come for the solidarity of Prime Minister Simon Ekpa, you come. If both of us are not friends, what do? You keep kind of mind their own business on what you come for. If Simon Ekpa is your friend, if Simon Ekpa is your Prime Minister and you want him free, you will not come and start looking for another person's trouble. You will not come and start fighting other people. No, you will come in solidarity and remain calm for that man to be free. If indeed that you really love him, or if you love Biafra, or if you love freedom. But these three things, they don't love him, they don't want Biafra, neither do they love the Biafra that we are fighting for. And that is why you see them doing all these things, because for them, instead that it will not go the way they want it, they will scatter everything. And how do they want it? What they want is to make sure that the United of Biafra declared that they do what? That they destroy it, which they can never succeed. It has been declared, it has been declared. So whatever they like, let them do. So this project will finish today and tomorrow, whether anyhow. And the United States of Biafra will have focus on what they want to achieve. If our PM comes out, glory, honor, adoration unto God, and the United States of Biafra will have more focus. If the Finland still insists, United States of Biafra will still have focus in doing what they are doing. So these people know they are playing their last game. They are playing their own last game. And by the power and special grace of God, they will not succeed. Because I do not see any reason for all these things they are doing. And they're using one particular group to do that, and they will fail. Because not after there is something I crossed this early morning, but not with this my hand. I wanted to do this thing to share that very message, but I found out that my hand I bought it. I made a mistake when I was trying to install my WhatsApp. So the thing I say there's something one number I failed to get, and I don't want to miss a lot of messages, and this is that in my hand. So because of that, I could not. I haven't gotten my WhatsApp on that handy. So I would have shared that message because he was talking about forgiveness. That forgiveness does not mean that when you forgive somebody, you become stupid or idiot. No. So you can forgive somebody and still be careful and give yourself distance from that person. That doesn't mean that you hate him or you want to plan evil against him or you have not forgiven that person. No. But don't give yourself to that person. Don't give yourself closer to that person to have opportunity again to hurt you. That might even put you into temptation to do what you are not supposed to do. And that is true. So, what am I trying to say? The Biafrans in Finland, I appreciate them and I pray that God will give them the courage to tolerate everything there. Because everybody keep him silent, ignore him. So, but my prayer is God will take absolute control of that woman in that court today and tomorrow. And victory shall be our own side. That is my prayer through Christ. Thank you, Mazikai, and let me give other people a chance to speak on their own. Thank you, and God bless you.
Well, thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you, Mazi Greg. I just want to take us back a little bit before I give mic to Legend and Asatina that are here. You see, one thing I want us to remind to remember. I know you know this, but just to remind you, sometimes in life, people will say something without knowing, what they're saying. Some people have said something that are questionable. Some people have stand on the side of the truth, but because of one or two things, maybe personal interest or their own little gain or little favor, or sometimes because they want to provoke or revenge, they chose to do evil. And once they start doing that evil, to come back may be very, very, very difficult. You see, this is the video you're about to watch now is our brother. In my boy, some people na will go me when I'm going where I will go 247. So if it doesn't guide about this, that means that you are still with this guy. Now listen. Some time ago, Ugo 247 made a video when he was still with his sense of reason. He says something like this. Where is that video? Why I'm saying this because of Kematebe Ebe Madibido. Read this thing here. As you can see it now, I believe, yeah, but it's not that readable, right? Let me see if I can zoom it a little bit. Okay. Yeah, it's better now. So Ugo says something here, as you can see. Anyone, what is going on? Okay. Anyone fighting United States of Biafra is definitely fighting against the freedom of our greatest leaders, Mas Namadu Khan and PM Samanekba, with Otongo Zarabeza. Ha ha ha. Ike Guru. Dibia. Wow. Okay, that's from this one. And Cool TV then shared it. He said anybody who is fighting against the United States of Biafra government automatically becomes Biafra's enemy. Facts. Now, the video says what? Hear this.
Anybody that stands against this government, I will fight you. Because you standing against this government, standing for Ogechukere, means standing against Biafrans. Ndiame, Butusonando here, Asiko Ogechukere, go your way, we don't want to work with you. He is threatening them. Biafrans don't want to go with you. You are threatening them. What is your problem? I am calling you, Joy Europe, Dr. Joy Europe, Shomo Koma. Come out, join Ogechukere in the media and tell Biafrans that what Ngozi Orabeze is doing is deceiving people. That's why I hold you. Why is it only Sonny and Derafel that is blabbing? And the you that have been in the cabinet are there, you are not talking. Why are you not talking, Professor Joy Okoma? Why are you not talking, Professor Dr. Bryson Okoma? Why are you not talking, Dr. Joy Europe? I challenge Joy Europe, Dr. Joy Europe, Professor Joy Okoma, Dr. Comfort, Pastor Comfort, Dr. Bishop Comfort, to come out on a video, make a statement that the Prime Minister did not tell everybody that this cabinet of old treaty will be dissolved immediately after the Biafra have been redeclared. Let these people I called by name, Dr. Joy Irobi, Dr. Bryson Okoma, Dr. Bishop Comfort, Dr. Bryson, if they will come out, make a video with their faces, dressing Biafrans, tell Biafrans, Prime Minister did not tell us in the media. I'm sorry, Prime Minister did not tell all of us in the former brigade that was dissolved that our duty, our joy, our job, our responsibility is to bring this brigade to a point of Biafra redeclaration. That once the Biafra has been redeclared, our job has finished. New government will be formed. Let them come out and tell us that the government, that this present government, USB, was not initiated and formed by our Prime Minister. The committee, this government, this United States of Biafra government was not initiated and formed by our Prime Minister. So what are they talking? Why are they hiding behind? Biafra Unite, I tell you for the last time, don't ever come against this. Okay, Chibunkere told the whole world that he is the one that stopped the Biafran army from fighting for Biafrans. And the Biafrans were died in number. They were killed in numbers. Because okay, Chibunkere asked them not to come out and defend Biafrans. And you have the guts to come out. Okay, Chibunkere collaborated and they brought over the military. Ask them not to come out, that he have a point to prove. What point do you have to prove with the blood of innocent Biafrans? And you have God to come out and support him. You have God to come and go for sit at home. For those you supported, they are killing. Everybody should wake up to the reality. Okay, Chibunkere want them to die. And now they are there. He's coming out to tell you to sit at home. Go and sit at home now. Everybody here is Anaya.
Okay, the reason why I try to play this now is not for just to talk down on this our brother. It's just to remind us, even you that is talking today, tomorrow you may be the one yapping this kind of nonsense. Then if you choose to, okay, because nothing happens. This one is not by accident. It is a deliberate act. Now today, the same will go. This is August 24, 2026. Is now pushing and celebrating Chomo Koma. Remember, he mentioned Chomo Koma names there, right? Those names that supported Ogenkere, that he wanted them to come out and prove and say it to hearing of Biafrans. Just say it, make a video. Don't hide, don't allow Sanapara alone to say it. Add your force since you are proud of what you are doing. That was what he was calling them to do. Then they refuse to come though. They keep on doing what they're doing and keep on sabotaging, keep on undermining, keep on tackling everything that it has to do with that template that PM he himself validated here, that he confirmed it, that PM instituted this USB to be what it is today, that is PM's effort. So it's not about that he don't know, he knows all this. That's why he was able to say what those things that he said, right? Now, because of one or two things, because of the issue of what is that girl that lady that he said that is the Chimaroke Namano's daughter. Because of that issue, you know, Tochi Naman. Because of this Tochi Naman issue, this and that, and let me tell you, Ugo did not tell, because Ugo is not my friend, because he said that that he's not a friend to anybody, so I don't see him as a friend anymore. He said Ugo was calling the name, saying that what happened and all that. Ugo was taking it lightly, like he don't take it to heart. But somebody, poisoned his mind behind the scene. We are not talking about this issue now. Until something that will lead us to go deep on that, I will bring it up and hammer on it. But what I'm saying is that the same Ugo who made this video is today telling you this. A new Briggy memorandum provides an update on Prime Minister Simon Ekpa's appeal proceedings in Finland, highlighting development from week 3 of the case. The update discusses the defense's presentation of evidence, challenges raised concerning the reliability and consistency of the prosecution witnesses and Simon Ekpa's own testimony before the court. It also outlines the historical and political arguments presented by the defense regarding the long-running Biafran-Nigerian conflict and alleged persecution of the Igbo people. What do this development mean for the appeal, and what could they mean for the future of the case? Watch the full video, examine the claim presented in the memorandum, and share your thoughts respectfully. Okay, this is what I do. All this jargon, all this nonsense that I'm just read out there is not my concern. But my concern is that when you zoom the pictures of people that are here, you will see the same people that Ugo was calling to come and explain their friends why they're doing what they're doing, they're sabotaging. Okay? The same voice, the same individual that went behind to poison his mind is still writing articles and touching videos of those who go condemned from his own natural sense. Because his own mind, his own gut, what he said in that video that is Ugo speaking. without anybody influencing or trying to tell him what to do or trying to push him to act any abnormal. So he just put himself there, his own mind, his own brain, everything intact. He delivered the message without any miscommunication or anything at all. Now, who wrote this in, gave it to him, and who is the one that attached pictures of every people that have questionable character? Chomo Koma, Bryce Nokoma, Nikki, that is this hippopotamus, and the pastor. I don't want to talk about the pastor because that one is a different topic, with other names that I don't know. All these women that look like men that surround Chomo Koma, that are moving the red tie, briggy, crazy individuals that don't remember yesterday, but they want to tell you about it today and tomorrow. How can you tell me about when you cannot even remember your yesterday? If I ask you a question about what did you do yesterday, what did you eat yesterday, you are unable to answer. But you want me to believe that what you are going to tell me that will happen tomorrow, that I should focus on that. That's the reality. It must be mad. Let them remember that yesterday. Who are these people? 2023 January, February, March, April, down to November. What is their position? Who are they? Where is Nkiru? Now is August 2023. Nkiru, where were you? What is Shomo Goma? What was he doing? Who is Shomo Goma in the original break? Okay, they don't remember. They want you now to believe that they won't give you everything by calling themselves Lego team. I believe most of you have watched the video of Barrister yesterday. He's explained it very well what it means to be a Lego team. I was thinking that having a very long red tie will help you to become a Lego, to be a Lego, to be in the Lego team. Barrister just exposed that last night. If you miss that program, actually you miss a lot, because that is one of the part that sweet may die. Anyway, I just want to share this with you, because some people that are claiming to be what they are today, or claiming to be more important than anything, their job is to push themselves out there and make you believe that they're your savior, at the same time promoting their own idiocy. We have Mr. Greg, Mr. Legend. Please grab the mic. Let me hear from you.
Yeah, Mr. Kai, good morning from here. And my sister in the studio, Mr. Greg, I greet you and those that will come in later, as well as those on the comment session. Greetings. And I join Mr. Greg in his prayer. I add my voice to his prayer that God will show mercy. Mercy. Maazị Simon Ekpa had been alone, but he's not alone. One with God is majority, especially when you being alone is on the path of truth. You are not alone. God will show mercy. God will show mercy. Finland will have no option. Even if anything is happening behind, the mercy of God will surpass that of man. When it comes to the business where God is involved, no bribery can surpass the power of God to let his own out. So we pray for him that victory will be ours. Victory will be his. His victory is our victory. Our victory is his victory. We pray for victory, which comes from God and God alone. So, Maazị Kai, I want to thank God. Some of these archives, I love them so much. Just going back to get these things, they interest me. There is one I pleaded with Kelena last time to keep, bringing up about when Maazị Ekpa was talking about USB, how the brigade will collapse in USB and all that. Sometimes I ask questions. What is it that Professor Koma came from Brigi to autopilot. I mean, from IPOP to autopilot to Briggy, and now her own Briggy. What does she want to achieve? You know, what does she want to achieve? And I begin to wonder where these guys, where they keep their hearts. And when I look at that, I'm not surprised, because when I read the Macbeth, I saw people who are power drunk. You know, this power of a thing, Mazekai, it can make you to kill somebody you love so much just because you need it at all costs. Power.
Exactly.
So you see anybody who is power drunk, you want to be at the helm. Will you just check all the associations you've been with from maybe secondary school, when you start knowing it, all these clubs we do have in secondary school. There are people, set of people, if they are not at the helm, it's not as if they know it much, but they are power drunk. You can just retrospect those days in secondary school, maybe university, village, even church. The worst is even church. If they are not at the front line, when I mean front line, if they are not at the helm of affairs, they destroy it. There are people with this character. They are people, what do you stand to achieve? They want to be on microphone. If you give them the microphone, they will talk trash. But you see those who have something to offer, they are always quiet. They are always, people will be dragging them, they will say, no. They are always quiet. And when they step up, you see leadership. So when I read Macbeth and compared what these guys are doing, I see guys, people who are power drunk, especially women. This is somebody who suddenly assumed Secretary General, but there was no office like Secretary General in Brig. And people are not asking these questions, and people are promoting them. Imagine this one who I think was standing alone, they call Chief Survivor, is now, you see, when you look at somebody's face, you will explain whom that person is. I never subscribe to that guy, because when I look at him, I see a man who can betray at any time. God gave me this grace. You see, when Briggy was here, Ajere Global Ajere, I never subscribed to Ajere. I was just like banking on these people who are just doing their own, and not those who are just making noise, to be noticed. I am telling you, to be honest. I'm telling you. I used to listen to Lazuba, I used to listen to Lazuba because there are some kind of things she will bring out, some truth she will say. I used to listen to her. Like I've always said, I banked so much on Sia. And this guy, Biafra Unite, until I saw, things that is not going down well, I have to, unsubscribe and move on with my life. Now, you see Lady Macbeth. Lady Macbeth, when Macbeth himself was feeble, when he was weak, when it was difficult for him to kill, when it was difficult for him to kill Duncan, his uncle, the king, who welcomed him and have a banquet in his house just to honor him for the returning from Scotland, a war he went to and came back successfully. There were two generals, Macbeth and Macduff. When they returned, this man chose to honor Macbeth, the senior general, and a cousin as well, with trust. Have a dinner in his house, even had to sleep in his house. But at the middle of the night, Lady Macbeth had to drag the husband that this thing you must do. It is good that we be the king as well. Macbeth, the husband said, but this is my uncle. He has awarded me, Dane of Cawdor, a very high and, prestigious rank in England. So why would I do this? This woman went as far as, if you read that book, this woman went as far as causing her breast. I read that book and I begin to compare what is happening now. This woman caused her breast that nothing will suck from it. That even if a child comes to, it will be bitter. Let it turn bitter. In fact, she closed up her womb just to eliminate a king so that she'll become, a queen. You see power drunk set of people. So when I see this and I see this Professor Koma or Chomo Koma, whatever, I see people who can destroy just for them to be ahead of us. Now, this person who said he's a loyalist to Ekpa registered a new brig. What nonsense is all this? If you say why don't you hold on and be doing what you are doing till he comes out? Believe it or not, these guys do not believe that Ekpa is coming out anytime soon. Take it or leave it. These guys, if you look at that woman, these are people whose hearts are hardened. Whose hearts are hardened. There was a man that took a picture of his husband where he was eyeing Simon Ekpa. If you look at that picture, there are things we used to, some of these programs, birthday or burial, they say picture speaks. You look at, you don't need anybody. You don't need anybody to tell you this or that. You see, the actions in the picture will explain. In fact, it will speak the heart. So you see these people. Now, this Bishop Comfort, where is she today? The Bishop Comfort they mentioned today, where is she? I don't think she's still active with Ogenkerek anymore. The Bishop, their almighty Bishop Comfort. When they dragged that one, they were using her, we have a Bishop Comfort and all that. Where is she today? It's quite a long time I've not heard about that Bishop Comfort. I think the woman is in England, is in UK. I've not heard about her anymore. And she has went silent, just like this one Olewunne brought herself now to start, she'll play a different thing behind the scene and play a different thing in the open. Bible said, whenever you hear people talking about peace, know that there is war. I'm telling you. You see these people that will preach peace and do a different thing, they are the architect of war. It's just like Iran. Let's cease fire. You think the ceasing fire is just for peace to reign. You don't know that they are using that opportunity to build up their arsenals. And someone will come in the surface and say, peace, peace is better. But behind, when Iran will strike, you say, is it not the same people that we are talking about peace, ceasefire and all that? Look at their actions. You don't know that the few days of ceasefire, they have used it to build their arsenal. So see how more, they are striking, build up their striking force. This is the kind of this Olewunne. You use the name of the office to come out and talk about peace, but these are people who are just, building up arsenals. I pray that God will preserve Ekpa. All these, they are overhugging. Chomo Okoma will be at the extreme and be the last hugger. All those nonsense. So you are promoting, building up that. Does the tie mean anything? Doesn't mean anything. What about those who came with cap and other? So Igbo regalia that people came with doesn't mean anything apart from the Biafran crested tie. Igaru here and there what? I don't know, raw shoe. I don't know, raw shoe, raw watch, raw belt. I wouldn't saw tie. So you see, in those days, people did not last long to this kind of thing 247 is doing. And the other one they call superstar. I said it on this platform. That guy won't. You see all these guys that are hiding their faces. All these guys you don't see their face. They are the worst in every system. Even watch from IPOP till now. You see all these guys that they hide their faces and talk. You don't see that. You don't know them. They are the worst. That guy have been looking for an opportunity. You see that superstar have been looking for opportunity, and he now saw an opportunity. Let me ask superstar from this platform. You said that Tangoso Rabeze did this and did that. Why are you people saying it the way it is? Is there any difference? You come out and say the questions that was asked to Simon Ekpa and his reply. You come out and broadcast it. You broadcast it and let people know the questions that were asked, the response of Simon Ekpa. What's difference again? Are you not exposing what is in the court? Are you not exposing what is in court? The one that this hidden face in about Biafran disunite, the one that he comes to do, is it not exactly what happens in the court? They asked him the number one question. He said, is it not what happened in the court that you are broadcasting? Why must the one? Because this one is you people do not want this one to come out. You don't want this one to be announced. The same USB charger, Mazi Simon Ekpa defended it in the court. And it was let out for the whole world to know. You will not castigate all of you abok. Everywhere you don't want to hear that one. It is only it is only a fool or somebody who is out of sense. I look at myself, I say I'm following Chomo as what? Secretary General. Even from the time of Owazurika and IPOP, has Biafran movement had any office like Secretary General? Are we on Hannes and Dibu? Are we on Hannes and Dibu? What is this a village meeting? Is it a Igbo World Congress? Is that maybe Ebonyi or Enugu or whatever, or Abia, Omahia International or Mbano World Congress, where you have Secretary General? You crown yourself as Secretary General. What does that mean? Does that make any sense? Is that taking us anywhere? And people are banking around them. People that should be reasonable enough are banking around them. The only thing you want to do is to follow.
Secretary General that have not written anything in public.
That is just what I'm saying.
To put anything meaningful. I'm not talking about WhatsApp message.
Secretary General. We've not had your address. You've not Secretary General. Which office is Secretary General? And these are the same people that have moved to fall back. Was there. Everybody saw them. They moved out. The first CRUC, BGC formed their own. They moved out. This woman now is forming her own. And I said it. Their main aim, their primary aim of going to Finland is to build up. It's just lobbying for people. And, this cheap to buy Lazuba, they've bought her. It's to build up. You see what it will happen. In the coming days, you see it. You will see what will happen. That woman doesn't, in fact, I thought she's a professor indeed, but I don't know that she lacks that political strength. If you look at people you play with, the Lazuba, that is the beginning of fall already. Because anybody that is sensible will know. For this person, who was in Kiru? Is in Kiru in this your platform, Mazi Kai? I don't know if you remember. Is it not this same Kiru that people ask in a Brigi or Kenkere this thing? In Kiru, when do you start supporting Ekpa? In Kiru said it that I'm not supporting Ekpa. It is Ogenkere that I come here to support. That in Kiru now have all of a sudden I become an angel, a lover of Simon Ekpa, coming to fight people who have been with him from autopilot till now, coming to fight them in the premises. So I thank God for the USB. If you see these guys, you know that you will see his attitude. They're not there to fight anybody. What they are there for is what they are there for. What they are there for is the business. And thank God, if you like, the truth is out, the truth is out. Mazi Simon Ekpa was there defending the USB redeclared. Then you don't want to say that one. You are talking about that, you don't want to say it. You don't want to come that area. See, the thing is that I wonder what will befall the family and the children of these people who are doing this. As for me, Ugo 247 is not making any sense for me. And where I am, that guy has nothing. I don't know he's that empty. He had been shielded a lot by USB, but now you can see him. So, like you rightly said before I submit, everything Ugo 247 said is, in fact, the nemesis is on him. So thank you for this thing you brought out. The same person who said this, you have gone to join the same people who you mentioned their names one after the other. So thank you, Mazi Kai. And I pray that God will show mercy on Mazi Simon Ekpa and strengthen Dr. Ngozi Orabeze the more. She has promised us that if Finland fails, that she's somewhere waiting for them. This is a leader. This is somebody that people should listen to, and not somebody who has nothing to offer. Without USB, they won't be here today. They won't be here. All Ngozi Orabeze can make a just have to pay one and they make all. Why are you registering a new big in Ohio? In a register, what is your aim? What do you stand to achieve? Did you tell Ekpa that? Ijena court na hug Ekpa. Then Ndi Ozaga hug. So thank you very much. We wish him well.
The woman is a Greg. Ekpa is a legend, sorry. You see, just a moment, just 1 minute. You just mentioned something now that I want to say something about it. You said if not that if USB government is not here, that these guys wouldn't have they would not be able to do anything. To be honest with you, what Biafran would have been battling now is not for the Nigerian government not to forcefully take PM back home. That would have been the battle if they have not succeeded by now. But if you know, you know anyway. As I think that you are welcome.
Yeah.
Are you there?
Yeah, I'm here, Mazika. There always one.
There, my sister.
Good morning. Good morning. It's a blessed day today and a victorious day.
Yes, sir.
I greet my brothers in the studio, Mazi, Greg, and Legend. Good morning to you all. My people, my people. My people in the comment section. Remember to like and share, and with your own opinion in the comment section.
Very, very important.
Because, yeah, we have to all hands on the deck. That's how we do it together. Thank you so much, Maazika, for your sleepless nights. From Bono yesterday throughout. I was off and on. I couldn't because I was busy as usual. But I thank everybody that was present yesterday listening to our great barrister. It was a success. So many doubts were cleared yesterday. So thank you so much, Mazeka, for using your platform to do the needful. I thank you so much. I appreciate you, all you are doing. May God bless you continually and your family too. So,
Amen. Amen. Amen.
Amen, my brother. Mazi Legend and Mazi Greg, you have said almost everything I wanted to say, especially my brother Legend. Thank you so much for your submission. You see, I would like to start with Nwoke Isiocha. Ugo 247. You see, my people, one thing I want us to learn from this, because Asikana amacha m ilu a, but I think otu esi wee tụọ ya ka a na-eli ozu ka ndị na-akwa ya na-afụ ka ọ ga-adị ha ụbọchị nke ha or something like that, but you all know what I mean, you know. So Ugo 247. Yes, onye na-akwa mmadụ na-akwakwa onwe ya, a na-ekwukwe nke ahụ like that. You understand? So Ugo 247, and I thank God for social media. I thank God so much for social media. I wonder how Ugo 247 will be feeling seeing this kind of statements in the past he made. And like you said, Mazika, you know, I always tell you, in a their attitude and their character and their their comments, things had you on hand. When you explain it or narrate it, one day, or did not a granobi, how we put that thing, Hannah hide, bring it out. Ugo 247. When he was saying that, you can see nobody pushed him to say this one. In our time, when he was saying that video I played, the one on USB, you can see the passion. You can see no yanwa wonye kwuru nka. But all these ones say if Rani these days now came back half follow back, center, right and left. You will understand that Hana had articulated Mahani Okuzi, this particular one, present one. You understand and see through them that somebody is behind this thing. It's not totally made up by them. So Ugo 247. Ugo 247. Him chorikwu about him. If for all this his like adult ya ihe ha na-emezi na-ahụ based on osukosu nwamkpi, obi ụfụ, hatred, jealousy, all those things were built up, making them not to reason properly like a human being now. So in this life, we all should learn from these things that is happening to them now. How much you may, let me tell you the gospel truth. How much you may. They don't know. Inside them, they are regretting. Some of them, but likes of Vam. Now, Achohodema, or now Arayahu to turn 360 degrees. And it's good for him. For his mental health. It's good for him, But all these ones, ndị anụnwa ego na-ekwe ọ gara ha ahụ to make amend, likes of Ugo 247 and Lasuba. Ọ gara ha ahụ to make amend. They know that they have failed. They have failed. And by the way, I want to use this opportunity to tell each and everyone in USB, you that started this race with USB, and up to today, you have not moved an inch. One day, Ginwanwaka. Consistency. Onye Mazi Simon Ekpa kwuru, onye Mazi Nnamdi Kanu kwuru. And that is the only thing that will move us forward and get us this Biafra. Consistency. Personnel. For all these people with questionable characters, go and check them. They have moved from pillar to pole, from corner to bend, from roundabout to straightway. They have moved roundabout, all round. And with a group Hana Tibeshi, and with a group Hana support to be before. But we, that from day one of that declaration, we have stood and still standing with USB, gidibam, no shaking. We are still there. That mistake, we make it together. The correction, we correct it together. On the man on the man that this is the way forward. We plan this thing. We plan this thing together with Obatobi. How come on earth, Obatobi, you now turn it around? That when he deka USB, na USB he declare this is what jealousy or hatred will cause somebody. It's only that push them away from reality, from the truth. All these things go again. And that's the worst thing that can happen to a human being, because it will take away your sense of reasoning. ị hụrụ hatred, ị hụrụ ọsụkọs, ị hụrụ jealousy. It will take away your sense of reasoning. And all this type of thing na-eme ndị mmadụ aga kwụgbuo onwe ha n'ụdọ. Ụdị ihe a ga-eme gị kwụgbuo onwe gị ụdọ when you cannot get that you are seeking for out of hatred, ihetiri nwanne gị, and because of that you don't want that person to succeed. Ị ga na fight tooth and nail for you to make sure na onye ahụ succeed so that ị ga-asị akwa ngwara ga-agwa. That is what is happening to them. If for likes of Lasuba, everybody should keep your eyes on her and avoid her, because this woman will like to do something gawome ya say opota na platform ụmụaja elu na ala ya. Ya say akwa ngwara na agwa ha emene, while she will be the one that will push that, instigate that. Having called her name, Chioma Okoma, Bryson Okoma, unu kpọrọ onwe unu doctors and professor. How do you feel today hearing Lasuba saying that no ya nwa gwara unu that memo unu pụtara bịa gụọ ka ndị oke na ngwere? Unu bịara bịa gụọ ka ndị na-enweghị okwu nke aka ha. Lasuba pushed you to do that nonsense. And God so kind as God will have it on the side of USB. The same day, nonsense memo in the early morning, the same day, Obatobi, a reveal from the voice I know that USB redeclared is legit. How do you feel that this mad woman on a platform here now brag? I cried to them. I can't even say it. I want to say the way she showed on her ways. That she run to you people, cry to you, that USB are doing the needful. After court proceedings, USB are gathering we have together like government should do. They release a press release statement about what happened in the court, which you guys, all of you, fall back, front and back, have never thought of. So you know Bunishi to go and do in that court is to cause wahala, to show power, to show that all no organizers. That was only thing that now you know on a court to represent others that are not in the court. Whatever happens in the court, you come out and genuinely, truthfully, in a more coordinated way, send it away across to Biafrans. Until USB government, genuine people, did it. Lasuba. Oh, you must do it, oh, you must do it, oh. To do it as Lasuba told you. She bragged in her platform. Today, how do you feel? Now Lasuba, itiboribo, oh yeah, and she's bragging over it. Professor, my foot. Doctor, my foot. If I am earlier on, if for hatred, if for obvious cause can make an educated person the worst illiterate ever. Who can believe, if not that Lasuba came out always like want to be at the center of attraction, center of attention. Lasuba want to be the head anywhere. Who would have believed Lasuba na platform where that she was the one that told you guys to go and do that thing, and it happened that Onubukwe, that your memo, waiting for her. She was the one that came last before he released the memo. Now, how powerful is Lasuba? How powerful? Eh? Now,
Powerful over professors, so powerful over Professor Kwama and the husband.
Of course, that's why I'm calling her powerful over those professors.
So,
Mazikai.
yes, so yes, somebody
Emmanuel will victory. Emmanuel will victory.
Yeah.
Emmanuel will a victory.
Very
Breaking
good.
news.
Of course, I feel it. I feel it.
I just finished the call because I'm on a program. So my phone call again, yeah. As soon as the judge, yeah, Joe prosecutor, when anything happen, yes, no. Yes, PM will be free by September. The case closed. No more tomorrow case.
Anyway,
I was like a madman.
Chere, Mazikai. Because Kamgaso Mayo, Kamgaso Maya. Ejamazo Maya. Ejamazo Maya. Chineke.
I got to them times before.
Yeah,
Look our kind of phone. I don't go pick him. Not a chance at the program.
Please get even I can feel now. Yeah, you update the juice. Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you. Let's hear from you. We are live. We are live.
The court just ended about half an hour ago. Just about half an hour ago, and everybody is going to his or her or different places. Now we are moving down to Lati again. It was really wonderful today.
So what is the judgment?
After the court, after the prosecutor just handled everything. If you see
Benches, can please, why Pastor Rose call my why on hello Benches. Nah, this young guy.
Mazika, it's like they want to go through DPM.
Yeah, Mazi, but that is right. That is right. Don't worry.
Allow them.
Allow them. That is correct. Yeah. That is good. They want to connect DPM, so let it be.
Let DPM do it first.
Yeah. Oto the Chineke.
Mazi, I don't normally have chance. Can I conclude? Mazi Ocean Master.
Right on.
Go ahead. Thank you.
Stage all the time. I just have this opportunity now. So, Mazi, thank God for victory. I felt it since yesterday, and I know because he get Chani here when the game except Monday Rirakas.
Jesus.
What's
Jesus.
Mazi, Jesus. So, my dear wonderful people, like I said,
sorry, thank you.
Okay, like I said,
yeah,
blessed are all of us that started supporting USB from day one and have not moved an inch. Upon all the ups and downs, we were still with USB. Because change. Honestly, if Runda fly from imagine can you count how many times Lasuba have moved from one group to another? Uncountable. So how can truth be with Lasuba? That is how to describe her. Imagine how many times Ugo 247 has said something and debunked it himself. Osieba Opio Bananka, all of them, name them. even aga m asịkwa na Lafia Sonny Akparawa and Oge Nkere kapa some of them mma because ha makwushikwere ike na nke ha, you know, ha nọkwa na nke ha kemgbe day one ahụ, you understand?
Man,
So
Nkefa was very big pit, you.
very big one because how
Very big
had the moat to our PM at the moat. You understand? We understand now how our pure enemy. But her name move from Sonny Akparawa and Amazimundozo ya na yaso. Because no munne meji this platform where come to go do one of my brother. Eno manu mgbe mu na ya giriri mgbe anyị nọ na platform Gafia Lion Humble Lion. Biko my brother Ayochukwu onwere onye na-anụzikwa olu ya. Ayochukwu ka ebe ọ kwụzi ọ nọzi na ndị dị moturu DPM. I just want to know because ama m ka Ayochukwu and PM dị when Ayochukwu wo ama na ya ma some of us here nọ na studio ga-amanụ Ayochukwu. Ayochukwu from Australia ka Austria ka ọ nọ, you know. I na ya nọ n'otu
Mazi Greg, are you there?
Yes, my brother. Yes, I'm here.
Can you give this updates? Can you give this updates?
Oh, yeah, and the update happened on our group. I just break in on our group. So how do I take a group call? So no problem. So
okay, Gani man
some buying at the group. And is that update that now it's just like as Beju said that now the after the prosecutor finishing. So joining we know that yes no. I said okay now the case closed to tomorrow that by September that the PM out. And that is what they said. So
but come to think of it, Mazi Greg, do you know that George cannot pass such verdict like that? Honestly, aga enwerere
why having another sittings tomorrow?
Exactly. So
there will be no more sittings tomorrow.
Okay, well, let's that.
Yeah, so that we no more sittings tomorrow. Yeah. Okay. Now the sitting of tomorrow is finished. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
The joy just on your phone from there. But I say I break the news on a phone.
But do you know why I'm
kind of phone? Can you pick him from studio? I wanted to break it to tie straight. Yeah. When I pick the phone, yeah, so I have to come into the studio.
But Mazi Chooks, I think Mazi Chooks would have said it straight away, especially this particular line. Now PM will be released by September. That line. Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh well, I was expecting him.
Our group not there. The more than my group not there. The more than 6 now, 7. So all of them cannot break fake news. Pastor Rosa was there. Smiley was there. Who other person? Ekpa was there.
The same group. The same WhatsApp group.
That someone is there.
Yeah.
Even a man that once have cross and Finland if they change Josubo. About the matter Simon.
Anyway, let's not worry about that. Let's not worry about that. Let's pray that what we are hearing now is true. Exactly. So let's not be in a haste. If it is true, it will be.
Let's project the positive part. It's true. So, Mazika, my brother.
In the next 30 minutes, let's see what our DPM will do.
They would look on your with a mic. They won't.
Yeah. Let me say my mind before I go out. The point not there is I am on the positive side. I believe that the news is true. They cannot be stupid to come to and say something like that. That's number one.
I believe
Number two
100%.
is, yeah. So my prayer is let it end. Let us have direction. If our PM is out, at least let him be out. So not that he must join the military to do whatever. I think he needs rest, he needs peace, and before he can do anything. But at least let us have focus. Let there be focus. My prayer yesterday and this very early morning is let God end this matter so that United States of Biafra will have focus. We have focus to know how God can end the bloodshed in Igbo land. We have suffered enough. So, and I believe God will hear this prayer because I forced myself before going to Finland. I said, it can my stay with my feet in that Finland cannot be in vain. As long as I'm working na that Finland, Chineke ga-emere ihe o ji wee bụrụ Chukwu.
He
You see,
said,
so
Omego already,
so
yes. And the Mazi,
yeah.
Emmanuel with what Barrister said yesterday. You know, our na PM the free. No, he 30 within from now till 30 days. And September,
Yeah. So
we are hopeful. We are hopeful.
hi Nia. I may have
Now
now let's see what happens.
you see that all these groups who form will not be happy if this is true. They can never be happy. Now, why they will not be happy is that they've not gotten what they are looking for. And again, these guys are going to fight PM. These guys are going to, you see this thing will go 247 is doing. Will fight PM. Biafra Unite will fight PM. Lazuba will fight PM. Okoma and the husband. These guys, what is that one?
Mazi, I know of Lasuba. If we go 247, Oga align. Apple will align. All Lasuba won't that well. Maybe somehow. But I would like PM to do one thing. I keep saying it. If PM open his mouth and say, if you are with Lasuba, you are on your that statement alone. Lasuba is a gunner. Omeria to so many people, or the Nkemaha and others. Where are they today? Just that statement to PM Kuhana. Lasuba is on her own. And Oge Fukanai. I'm telling you, nobody will remember her platform again.
You see these guys, they are on their own. You see what is happening?
My sister, I don't expect the PM to say that all of a sudden.
Yeah.
If the PM is out, he will embrace everybody and continue fighting what he's fighting. So, but whoever I say, why must you embrace Otongozo or work with Otongozo or embrace United States of Biafra? That is where that person will have a problem on him or her own. The person will work out on himself or herself. So he will not just come out and say, okay, I don't know, any person, nobody should associate. No, he will be doing what he's supposed to be doing.
I'm not saying not get queen immediately, but I pray for PM put how I wish. I will stage that protest. Lasuba must give us chance. Oga hand one at this. Oga near a chance. When you go die.
Good morning. What's the update? I'm just coming.
Mazika, you're the kind on a search the news. Mazika, you're not with us on a search the news.
I don't remember. Just who did the mic and I don't will be download. Just a moment.
Good morning. What's the update?
Mazi Ocean Master. He wanted to say something. Mazi, where is your mic?
Hello, good morning.
Okay, hello, good morning.
Good morning, Ochum. What's the update? I just entered.
My brother, General Mike, I know what the courts have for us today. Everybody is saying their mind, but we are hopeful for victory. You understand? Yeah, we are hopeful for good news. So it's a general mic just for today.
Okay.
Mm.
How EJ UK? Asatina.
Eh?
So EJ UK.
Oh, EJ longest time. Ah.
I did. I na-apụtakwa betu mgbe ụfọdụ ịma mmadụ nwere no sometimes enwere aha m ji mepechi
yes,
ụfọdụ
yes.
Chioma.
Yeah.
Chioma Ibe.
Yeah, Dalu, my sister, and they okay, family. We thank God. We thank God. We thank God.
I need to know about it now. I am the note time. I'm no the honor reading. Now, just getting them.
Mazikai, I thank God for this his platform. On on late night, early morning, whatever time he's available. Thank you so much, Mazi.
Good morning, Don't
Professor. Ndewo.
Prof.
Good morning from my location.
And when I direct message from the Finland,
whatever. I've been trying to put one or two calls through, but
okay.
We'll see hopeful for that. Many for keeping the house busy.
I'm telling you.
Also, giving Biafra in the homeland the more hope on what we are doing. For me, I am from a different opinion about Obatobie. If Obatobie comes out, Obatobie is not flowing in Ngozi. Obatobie is flowing document.
I am done with what I want to grab. Please, I want us to mute our mic and watch the video in full. The news is actually correct. So that
wow!
The truth is out.
Okay.
The truth is out.
Once again, they can name everybody. Let us mute our mic and be part of. Let us be a partaker to the video. Let's watch.
Finish it today. Finish it today. They say September. Onye si ọpụta? Onye si ọpụta? Onye si ọpụta? Onye si ọpụta biko ndị ọzọ wụ ike. Yeah, at the moment, the court is closed for today. We hope, according to the judge, so the continuation will be from September.
They will see more live.
We can hear some scrupulous individual making unnecessary statements, which is not acceptable. I've seen all those cases as a case of Judas.
Yes.
The governor and the president. The governor and the president. Hey. I'm on the mocking every day. If you don't say you get. And then put the deck and make it. Now we be the winner. And then I continue to win. Let me shoot. About all Pierre. You're back in the wood. Nothing happened. Usually I won't get pension. And the governor also, man, the woman, the dog, actually, they are. And I'm a neighbor. Maybe halfway, wait, or after that, one the more witness, and then make a mistake. You don't want. Iye ni ọba ke wo wo agbega oke muo na muo na iye tu go wole pota nduni na kono we president na governor na nchi na wancha ni de ya iye bi go wo we agbala go no go ye we te Biafra na awu no and agbala go no go ye ye ji te na awu ge yes aga na no ma wo nye mmeri and adande be na ndege mmeri go yes governor osi not also mandos na how ambassadors any na actually.
So audience, you can hear the sound of the noise maker. People making noise. She keep on making noise. That's what you can get from here.
Yes.
So,
yes.
That's what you can hear from We hope the verdict will come. This is the man who is I can call the architect of destruction. He's in the court today.
Yes, sir. No.
Take care of you or Guinea. Brigi government. Abato Vienna Mungwano.
Yes, what did you have for Biafra today?
Omo Biafra. As in Kono Mara that na ihe aha na acho n'ukenu na ye nwetebe n'uka.
Okay.
Obi dị sanore maka na Nigerian terrorist government enwere case.
Chooks as a person. Honorable Chooks, I want to ask you today, please, how do you feel about today's gospel today? How do you feel? And how do you see all the things that happen in there?
Our BS
I can say is really spectacular in the sense of this very case. And we hope the case will end 2 days according to George last week. But today he said after looking through the case, he doesn't have so much things to be prolonging the case, and after the prosecutor has given some kind of conflict all over the world, from Europe, from Asia, other things, a very long explanation, but the defense lawyer from our PM made a long argument, throw many lights, express the way the Nigerian government is
terrorism
behavior towards Biafrans, through their terrorism, through their slaughtering, through in many ways they are violating the rights of Biafrans. And even the Boko Harams, the activities of the Boko Haram in Nigeria, in the whole share. But I can see, after all these arguments, the judge said, I don't think I can prolong this argument anymore, but we have to give a little bit time to finalize everything, and I would like to let all the people who came from different parts of the world to travel home. I can see the passion in them. For me, this judge, he was the same judge that presided this issue last week. It was very good thing for us to see him again today. This is a man who can look on the face of the people and the passion in them and decide what he can be able to do. Thank you everyone today. It is really wonderful indeed. PM, for me, PM has won the case. And all the people that come here to bring unnecessary dramatic reactions. When you listen or watch through the video, you can see the distraction. Whatever you want to do. Thank you, Biafra. Thank you for being staying true with us. Thank you for all the things you have been doing. All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra. Freedom.
Yes.
Freedom.
Very much happy.
Freedom for our PM.
Yeah.
Freedom for Martin.
You can see the brightness in his face.
Yes.
There's no much argument today to say that.
He told us nobody should cry that we have won.
Yes.
He told us.
He said it.
He said nobody should cry that we have won.
Went so
that's what he said. We that will be telling him that is the one that is telling us not to cry. That
so thank you.
That is
for
settled.
The audience.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Yeah, this is Honorable Scholar, the mission head from Deutschland. You were in the courts. What can you give us as an experience from today's court sitting?
You know, Biafrans, today was the day a shame was put on the face of the day. So today, I don't know how to say it, but it's the most happiest day ever. You know, after the final statement, I feel like, and in fact, I jumped up to go and catch our beat. But God has done it for us today. Like I said before, the crown on his head, nobody can replicate. On his ordained that he, our people, Simon Ekpa, and the MK is the people that will lead us home. And it's happening to be. So the truth is already out. The truth never dies.
At all.
The freedom, justice, and that peace is already.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I want to use this opportunity also to thank the
Thank you. Wonderful. Thank you. Thank you. Let me first.
First of all,
Yeah.
smile.
Okay.
This
My
my
beloved.
My beloved honorable Pastor Rose, I can see all of you with flying color today. I can see all of you flying in with good honor, with very, very wonderful indeed. Can you tell us your experience in the court today, as everything has just ended so smoothly without no.
The prayer of Biafrans, the prayer of Biafra was answered. Today marked a remarkable day of the victory of our PM. Like I said, we have more.
Yes.
And only in a Joraja
yes.
Or do hear our PM Mazi Simon Ekpa Jokumere? Or do hear Mazi Namde Kalumere? Just in Honacho freedom, Kai Umaka have a slave. Nde Nigeria be anara yihan. Manaye grow yigo Kai nare. And actually, I want to tell you, na ye nwezi court again, iha nwezi bi wepota. Ka BMI pota because it ain't in praises. It did not end the way the devil wanted. It did not end the way the Nigerians, the evil ones, the Janta we want it. Our freedom has come. And
thank you for
Biafrans all over the world, from the homeland till here. We thank you.
Thank you so much.
We thank the Biafran, the genuine one in this Finland, who has made it possible for this thing. We want to use the opportunity to say thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is honorable.
Smile.
Amozie. First of all, I want to thank Biafrans, and then it's a very happy thing to see that at the end of the day that the discussion, the case, everything was finalized, and then yes, and then the judge have had enough, and today again we did not see the presence of Nigeria. We could not see the presence of Nigeria, and then all the whole shenanigan they have been displaying. They have displayed through, however, whatever that they find means to landed in Finland and in Finland court. Today, they have been given opportunity to come and defend their lives, to come, but they run away. They are nowhere to be found. You know what? But the Biafran government have stood, did everything to protect Biafran, and we will continue doing that, not just only here in Finland, in everywhere in the world. We have told them, and we will keep on reminding Finland, every citizen of every country, the primary duty of the government of that country is to protect her citizens wherever, whenever, however. So, based on that, you can see Biafrans, we come out from this court with a joyful heart, and you saw us when we were with Obato Bie inside the court, when we were just having a good time discussing. So based on that, I say Biafrans, once again, we will see.
That was Biafrans reacting on the issue. I know some of you are still waiting to hear it, but that is what happened and all that. So I asked Ben Jukes on my chat with him on WhatsApp. He said yes, and he promised to come in to throw more light on that. So we are going to wait for him a little while. But before then, let me see how you guys will react from here in the studio and tell us what you think about. After watching this whole video, what did you notice? Let's start from Asatina. The why I got first. Asatina, are you still here with us?
Thank you for calling me first. Thank you so much. Because
Asatina, I was talking before you take the mic from me.
Chino, sorry. I was don't. I will. After starting, you grab my car. Why I got first? You know, go.
No women first. That's when you work with. I was okay. I quit him.
Today, why you want today? Don't worry. I just want to sing this song. This victory song.
Overjoy.
Yes. And thank you, Mazi Kai, for choosing me first. The Lord has done it finally. The Lord has done it finally. Finally, thank you so much. Thank you all Biafrans in the comment section. Thank you all genuine Biafrans. We owe ourselves a lot because we are fighting for our own freedom. We owe ourselves a lot. Each and every one of us have contributed to this success, to this victory. No one's efforts will be undermined in one way or the other. We have contributed to this. We thank God for good news. We thank God for victory. After all the ups and downs, this is the day the Lord has made, finally. So, to react to the video here in the background, you can see how noisemakers, we are still pushing their agenda. La Suba, nobody will come and tell me when this thing will start that La Suba will not be put aside when the time comes. Let us rejoice now. The time is coming when we will stand firm and ask for this, that La Suba should be put aside for us to continue. At least, I will go do 1 year. Imagine Brigi, a record on a victory day, on a day pronounced Biafra victorious. Why am Akakoko, come on, we go do those nonsense, negative things. Put away aside for today. At least for today. Madness, hide go there for today. No. And you want to tell me this is somebody I call here this serious. Is this the kind of person this serious? No, we can't continue like this. We have to talk about this separately on a different note. This woman got go do at least the whole not that be delineate to her. 1 year. Yaga kulo brain somewhere else.
And in 1 year or 1 or 1 year, I don't
know. All for my brothers and sisters who will say, definitely she will come and
or not 1 year. Must everybody have an office? This person have nothing to offer.
Yes.
She has nothing to offer.
Yes, for me, I would say indefinite suspension. Indefinite, just like any others. Like I keep using that name as an example. Dinkemma. I keep using him as an example. And of Faith or Gallagher the rest. You know, I want that thing to happen to this girl because if we don't take this drastic step to this point, ever, continue. You can see what let me just tell you what will happen now. When Obatobia comes out, she have already started taking glory in that court. Oh, I don't know. Let that not disturb us, because in here how she behaves.
Wait, it was an accord. The US be very organized and coordinated. The even PM knows. bringing government. Anyone who stupidity.
Yes.
Bringing government.
Now see video cameraman, yeah. Now see cameraman, yeah, because just 1 second. Now see cameraman, yeah, she is building up the things so get you
Mother Satina.
You understand?
Okay, let us. Can I have you first? I won your 1-1. Ocean.
I'm not.
I'm
Yeah,
going
the
to see
moment.
ladies first. I'm going to see ladies first.
Just 1 minute, please.
Ocean Master can drop on mic.
I'm going to see ladies first.
So can we?
So, because in conclusion, we really thank God what happened today. We will choose the positive parts. In fact, let us rejoice with this victory. Bochinta ayachọ no orange because I'm a way eba ụfọdụ ga-adị against it but ka ọ dịwa mgbe a ga-akpa nke nwaanyị a ga-akpa ya ọfụma ndewo maazị ndewo daalụ.
Now, Ray Biafra TV, you said you none mic in the because grab the mic. Let's hear from you.
Anything women first, so no another moment never. You go do more. I have to say no. I want to be once.
Oh, make kind of bad things. You know, your boss someone. I feel you guys are going to maybe the platform bonus someone. But since we could look why, let's go to edit.
Yes.
Let's hear from. Edit na Lola. Adobe.
I wouldn't know many women first. Oh, overjoy. You know, women at that time were overjoy.
So,
Mama no ulumo na aputakwa.
Yeah, of course I'm no. Kege the no na. Don't worry. You know no fe.
I'm not so pata.
Oh, what can I say did? Okay, can I be did because no go ni one. Jomi boy. Okay, Adobe first. Adobe then after Adobe then Jomi, Adobe.
Yeah, boge edit. Oh, edit.
Can for me of my can we go diva? Edit what can have.
Oh, edit. Oh, okay.
And the
cross over. Yeah.
Okay. I will do it. Just a moment. Hello. Okay, I'll drop on a call. John, my beg, go first.
See what the Lord has done. See what the Lord has done. What we're waiting for has come to pass. See what the Lord has done. My people, see what the Lord has done. I say, see what the Lord has done. What we're waiting for has come to pass. See what the Lord has done. So, my people, in fact, Obi Jurum Nangore, you know, God, I just thank God. I am so grateful to God, and I thank all of us for putting heads together, for not relenting, for continuing, and we've not stopped. It's not yet over. But when our PM comes to join us, we'll get to the final point together. So I am so happy, by the news I've had so far, what we are waiting for. We've been waiting for it, and it has come to pass. And we are thanking the Lord for it. Just imagine what is going on there already. Just like our sister Asatina said, imagine. Just imagine the way some people they are comporting themselves, like in that Lazuba, There was something I wanted to say yesterday. That Professor Chioma Okoma, name way shame. Dear, that ihe na-eme ma ndị nwere partner, ma ndị nwere husband, ma ndị no enyi nwoke, whatever, and you know, when things are happening, ofu onye na-ejilata ibe nna nwunye m biko ebe ha agawele that side, agazile that side. Nwaanyị nwere ike jilata di m ma ọ partner m biko ya agazile that side, but you notice chọmụ nke ọma na di nwe onye na-ejilata ibe ha. Ihe ọwụ something dịcha so strange. Ihe a dịcha so strange. That means both of them are heading for destruction. Oh yeah, where they are going. When nobody can draw the other person back with Nkana or Lasuba, just imagine here Lasuba and Eba and Eku. The only people that you mention but anyway, the most important thing, the news I went to get today. We are so happy. It's mind blowing. In fact, today is every day is a blessed day, but today is so special. It's so special. I don't have much to say. Come $9 or you know, so God bless all of us. God bless each and every one of us. Kai Chino ndị media niile unu agbalị okay eziokwu. Amanka ga-eche ekele na ana masị Chineke gozichi unu niile ma gozikwa anyị niile kwa anyị niile ha tiga aka na-eme this thing. Chukwu ga-agozi anyị and ọ ga-edu anyị garuo na njedebe nga anyị na anyị agaruo mana Chineke nọzi na njedebe ahụ na-eche anyị agaruole nga ahụ.
God bless you. God bless you. Thank you so much. Thank you, my sister. Ndewo. So we have Adobe. Adobe, come back again. Let's hear from you. Adobe is still not here. Ngozi.
Adobe is here. Oh, Kai.
Okay, hey. Finally, you grab the mic. Go ahead,
finally, ekene m onye ọbụla. Nna m ekene m gị ụtụtụ ọma n'ebe a Ifuanachi. Ekene m Ada Ije London. Nne m ekene m Satina. Ekene na mmadụ niile na ebe obi in short oge nu the news anọ
ndewo
yeah oge ndewo nne m oge nụrụ the news ebu m ka anọ m n'ọrụ wee baa na one class na-ekpere de na-esi Chukwu okike abịa ma hidi ebube. In short obi dị m anwụrị. Asị m onweghị ihe ga-ekwusị sa abụ ka anyị abụ biko nna m biko nye m dacha ka m bụrata abụ. Ekwueme Simon Ekpa njokwu ekwueme you are the miracle mo Biafra aja ụzọ ezigbo nwanne m no one like you. Ekweme PM Simon Ekpa njokwu ekweme ọkwa ngị bụ ọkụ mụ Biafra aja ụzọ naanị Biafra na anyị niile ezigbo nwanne no one like you. Ọkwa ihe kwuru ka ị na-eme ọkwa ihe kwuru ka ị na-eme. Simon Ekpa njọkwa wa PM niile ezigbo nwanne m no one like you. Ikwere nna gị Ọhamadike na nkwa na ị ga-enye ya Biafra ọkwa ihe kwuru ka ị na-eme oke nwa ọkwa ihe kwuru ka ị na-eme oke nwanne ọkwa ihe kwuru ka ị na-eme imezugo ya Ọhamadike ụmụ Biafra niile ekweme mo ekweme ezigbo nwanne Ekweme, Ekweme, Ekweme. I hear my mic.
I moved my mic while saying. All right, thank you so much, Adobe. Thank you so much. Emma, I prefer in a way in a good Chineke. Oh, Chineke, but if that thing, man, someone name of ma, like about our PM, you are just give the glory to God so that He can now do more using PM to do more. Oh, there's another Chineke if I'm just saying. I understand the passion, I understand the love, but I all those who suppose it. There will. All right, let's move to Ngozi. Okay. Please, if you if you are jumping out and jumping in, I may not bring you back. I may not bring you back because I need them the session. Chino, let's hear from you. Or Edet, are you going first or Chino? Go ahead first.
I know, man, because after I'm going to
Chino will go no choose if I'm not mistaken. Managani first. Chino boy and guy.
Because we should leave grammar and speak grammatical. The reason I said that, because Brokai, o nwere egwu m ga-achọ ka ị kpọrọ anyị n'oge mgbede mgbe ị ga-apụta because o nwere Chukwu aha na-edu gị dobere gị na tobekwere n'anyị nwa ga-eme ka ị chọta. O nwere egwu Pati Obasi kụrụ a na-akpọ Born to Rule and Born to Serve. Biko gị chọọ ya, ị ga-enweta ya na mgbede gị were ya pụpụta anyị nke aha. By the way, o nwere ihe m chọrọ ikwu, but a lot has happened, but it's to our favor. A na-ekwu mgbe anyị gara Finland, gị gaa ile anya na Finland nke na anyị gara 24th, ịbịa n'azụ dị a, kedu aha Mr. Fallback bụ oge nkere ịma mmadụ abụ na ndị otu ya, ha niile nọ na the same group. Anọ m n'azụ ha. I kept quiet. Mgbe anyị na-ejubilate na-aṅụrị na anyị mega success, ha niile defrost. And onye na-amaghị anyị ha ji defrost bụ their plot bịara late. Ihe ha jiri bịa Finland bịara very very late. Gịnị dị ihe ahụ? Otu m nọ na ana m efe Chineke ma m gaa ma alaeze. M na-emekwa ihe arịsị ka m wee rijuo ọkụkọ afọ. Before anyị aga Finland, agapụrụ ije, anyị gapụchi ije were kpọọ onye m discuss with few people, and ọwụ na gị ga Lazuba na ịhụrụ isi gbakara na ewepụtara m ya. She spoke it to the public. Now Simon Ekpa kpachara anya, they are coming to Finland. Na-eji ha nsi abịa. And Chineke mere ebere akpọrọ PM wee kpuo inside. Ihe na anyị na-akọ abụghị ihe anyị ha na-akọ na, I'm telling you people. Onye hụrụ arrest emere Simon Ekpa ọ bụghị ordinary. God in heaven nyere aka for that. Ị hụrụ nsi aha enyere Yahoo the guys a prepare ejiri bịa Finland, but God mere ha ọnọghọ nso enyeghị ya. It didn't work because kedu aha Mr. Fallback woke nkere onye go ha promise kwekọrịta na ihe niile nọ under him that ọ ga-akpagbu ball under the carpet otu ndị na-aga underground si aga. But we say, God, thank you. Do you know that it wasn't coincident when a declared China, a restored China Biafra in Finland? This general lot as the name is up because of dirty promises. ọ onye na-amaghị na-ele ihe discipline na-eme ka ọ wee joke anọ ha under agreement and manipulation. Ọ bụrụ na Nigerian government ma ihe rijuo afọ mara ọgụgụ isi ha, all these people anyị na-ahụ na social media na-ekwu about Biafra, ọ bụ ha ga-ekwu ọkwa ha were like that, ha were hand over to criminal of their types, ha na-eme anyị operate ka ha siri chọọ, but Chineke si ya ọ chọọ ka ụdị ihe a na-eme. Ọ wee kpatara ihe o ji ewepụta to our hands. Tomorrow, Abia, I don't need omedonyam sinye position. Owu ka Nnamdi Kanu si eti mezie n'iro mekwa na nga na-aga school mee na ka ndị mmadụ nwee life aya ata na ahụhụ outside the UK, outside Europe. Kedu ihe Nnamdi Kanu ti akwa that? Simon Ekpa pụta. Before Simon Ekpa was one Nigeria. He's organizing of a New Yam Festival ndị Igbo na Finland. One man squad. He used to host us very well. But how he turned degree kamji marana Biafra wo spirit. And Emma Chineke sinde jurum no ha ga-etom. Onye jukwa na etom na aga meme ka o mara na otohom. So what happened today? God has written it. I always address my people. Say Hana, onwege ebe Nigeria jazaga. Maka, my cousin nọ Finland, and always practitioner in law. Or say, ndị Finland say na ha hụrụ gift, ha hụrụ ihe ọma, gift. Nigeria chọrọ inye ha. Ha ga receive that gift. Mana ọ bụrụ na ndị Finland kwere na ha chọọ ka anyị achọghị ka anyị nwee freedom, they wouldn't have to allow us the pressure Nigeria nyere ha. Finland, the very, very wonderful and which is happy with us, otu anyị shiri succeed instead of that second day kwere ha na nkwa. Ha chọrọ iji police na ebe niile bracade everywhere. We move forward and as Ngozi Orabeze. Asị mmadụ na-amụ nwa mụtakwa nwa dịka ya. And mmadụ na-eke oke nketekwe m oke dịka ya. Ezi nwa. Lazuba unu na-ahụ na-anọgharị ya na left ya na right. Ọwọwụ ihe a dekọrọ aha anyị jiri mee attendant. Dịka dị ọ wee bugharịrị akwụkwọ anyị jiri dekọ aha anyị sọmite eto Ngozi. Ọ bụ ụmụaka. Ugbu a bịazie na agwa isi ọmani. Onye ndị ekwugodu sunyegodi oche azụ ka eme nke ahụ. Ihe ọka nọwụ na social media. Nigeria, Biafran government is not going to be role in social media. Ọ bịa ga-ewe post oji gịnị. So onye ọbụla gbagodu nkịtị ka sorogodo akwụ n'ọkụ ma afọ ndị ga-agụta ya. Anya anyị nọ now na forming of government. Ike ekwensu adagomba. Obodo ha ọkụ ka anyị gacha alụ. We are taking our bread back home. So thank God na Nigerian government hand the government over to these criminal politicians. Akwa ịhụrụ nga ha pụtara ụbọchị a ha ọgacha akpa banyere releasing of Nnamdi Kanu ndị oshi. Echi ha pụta aga ha agbagburu onwe ha n'ọsọ. But let us go, let us watch. Onye ọbụla I bịara court ndị gara because I couldn't go Finland. My cousin not there. Man, I didn't. I was on phone with him. Conclusion is September. Every deed must be done because I have seen in this case, Simon Ekpa has no query to answer. That was the last word of the man. Even though I got Pachanya, Finland ga-akwụ Simon Ekpa compensation. Ndị na-ebe akwa ọgbaga big moto ha dịkwa ready ọ ga ndị agụba ama ụtọ. Ha dịkwa ready ga-amanye na mmiri because Finland government is going to pay him compensation. So onye ọbụla na-aga lekwe ni ha nge ịhụrụ ọ bịara ya ọ na-emechi ọma ya na-ebichi ọma. Onye aha nwere cause from family Oshine. I'm very sorry to tell you that. Nne Chinozo nne bụrụ ya on all the first to na-akpọ prodigal daughter na their family. So ihe niile ọ na-eme onye atani ụta. ọ ka o si aga. So ọ gaghị ahapụ agwa ha until the end of grave, unless ọ gara kpọọ ụmụnne ha bie ya aka n'isi. Onye na-eso eno na-aba n'ọhịa, hapụ na ya aka, ememe ihe ọ na-eme, emechaa ọ ga-anọ dị ya. Kedu ọkwa ya si na Simon oziri ya ozi saa ya fall back? Ọ nwere onye chefuru nke ahụ? Eji m vidio nke onye ji vidio, ihe niile o kwuru nọ na vidio. Also, I fall back. As I fall back now, what we'll be talking? They bought Nigeria. Nigerian bought them. Oge nkere azụrụ ya azụ. Imo mmadụ ha bụ azụrụ ya azụ. Ndị prọfesọ Egbelebe Ogodo azụrụ ha azụ. Because ahụrụ ha na the things are fallen against them. Nigeria bought them with a fabulous money. Otu I hope ụzọ dị mma na anwụ na ọ ga-were gas na oil enwere n'Imo steeti lee were ego ga na-arụ investment with atọ eze n'okpo efelo ha ọnọzi in problem. Deposit akwere ha were ha oil afandro n'ọlụ connect echi Rivers State na-aga Spain. Echi niile gị bịa gị sa anyị bụ onye a ga-akpọrọ isi ala na onye a ga-achịliri aka elu. But let's continue. Kanaga. Hagango up Haga Buomu Biafra. Where Bondi Ndi Biafra na freedom. Ogagaraha, Ogahagaraha. Onwe honye garala na Libo na waina maho treshiribu. Ha manye ha neme. Ma nke ọ na-abụ onye nọkete na-ele mmadụ dịka udele utelekwu okwu unu na-aga esogharịa ihe awa udele ọbụ ka ọ wee onwe hebe unu ilewe n'okwu udele onwe gị ihe ọbụ onye ka na-achọ kedu ahụ nke nne na-ere ogiri epụta ya na-asị ụnụ ihe ọ na-emewu epata inside ya na-achọ ebe ọ ga-enweta good news, but good news ọ na-enwe agwụla. Ọ na-eyuzu ndị na-enweghị bread. Eka use men don't they use also ga ọkụ onweghị onye ọbụla Biafran army, Biafran soldiers, Biafran guard onwebedị ofu onye Biafran ECN security kwatu ihe anyị na-ewu ihe ha na-eme ha mechaa ha na-etu onye ha na-erope aha ya nto. But what I said today thank God August September next tomorrow, so we are seeing it. Every conclusion has been concluded. The deed is done. Ekelere mmadụ dịka Ngozi Orabeze, kelee mmadụ dịka Simon Ekpa, kelee mmadụ dịka Nnamdi Kanu. Ụwa maasị ọtọ, nwekwe m ha dịka nwanne, nwekwe ha dịka mmadụ. Ndị nụkwa na-enyere anyị aka dịkwana ka ndị Midian, because ọ wụnụ mere ihe eji anụ olu anyị. Asị m Jehova nyere unu aka. Merụ unu ihe unu ji etinye nri n'elu efere ka ụmụ unu na-egere ya akọkwa n'unu, because ndị mbụ mere nke ha mere na nzuzo, because enwe ihe dịka social media nke na ugbu a social media nwere dome gị chefuo social media agaghị echefu. Ọwụ ya bụ ihe m jiri sị ndị mmadụ onye na-eme ihe ọ na-eme this time be very very careful. Onwedo onye dịka a na-enye suspension ma onye ọbụla pụta ewu Biafra onye bịa emepere ya akwụkwọ ya. XDOS chara ihe a na-eme ama ihe a na-eme ewu ka ha gbala ha ego ha riri, and they have seen they have failed. They fail go ha forever because Nigerian government na-akpọ ha criminal now. Nigerian government na-akpọ ha criminal. No wayo ka ha gburu ha. Ego ha nara ha ego ha riri ha na-eritọkwa. A na-agazi steeti aga ama organize ndị mmadụ lekwe nke onye ka asị gị kedu ka m ga-esi aghara Nnamdi Kanu tụmego onye ka ịbụ ana ha kọrọ na ya anaghị ezi onye anaghị ekweta etu social media ka ụnụ na-ahụ ya. Ọwụ mmadụ ndị iri ha jiri aka ha disgrace onwe ha riri ego, but Jehovah anyị na-efesi. At the end, we will know who is the winner. Because any phenomenon, Mike, only when do I need an Jesus.
He said, thank you so much, sir. God bless you. And people are asking a question, comment section. People are asking what is the news? Whose mic is this, please?
The question, is it for me?
No, it's not for you. It's not for you. That's let me move to your mic first. Please help me mute your mic. Mute your mic. Okay. All right, because the noise is too much. Some people are asking in here on the comment section, what is the news? What is that and that? The news is that the judge told their friends to go back today. That there's no, tomorrow there won't be any court sitting tomorrow. That he had gone through everything. The same judge, okay, of last week is still the same judge. Just the difference is the location. And the judge said that there's nothing to debate or to argue here. Okay, that PM will be free by next month, September. Although we are still waiting to hear from the horse's mouth, but somehow I have gotten a kind of a little information about it saying that that is what it will be. So, meaning that PM will be free by next month. Hopefully, that will materialize. For now, that is the update from Finland. So, if you are here still wondering what is why are people happy and all that, that is the news. Okay, I keep on following the updates, but the person that's supposed to give me the update is still on his way back to his hotel. So let's just wait for him to arrive, or maybe when we come back later, we can, present it in a better form. But for now, that is what the news. That's what we are hearing, and is everywhere in USB platforms as well. We have Chino. Chino, please grab the mic before we cannot give mic to. There's someone that joined us here. I think one of us, Mark. So let's just hear from Chino. Chino, unmute your mic.
Yeah, Mazakai, thank you for keeping us busy. Because just somehow partial at a small work that will close very soon. I thank you so much. And I thank every Biafran in this hallowed platform. And also my regards to those in Finland. Those in Finland in the name of USB. Not those that's our enemy. Nobody is no good. I cry. I bram bam man come ebe. I bram mumbo. Amaka mumbo. I bram mebo maka mumbo. Kamara makam jeka no when. If you are an Igbo man, you understand the language I said so far. So I am talking about. See, for me, honestly, because of one or two things I find out within myself, I never see Lazuba see anybody in this movement. I see her when the buy na say. Na enwere ihe bi nye nwata o juo ya sie inyere munye onye ka omunwe. Lazuba Chikaudri Merike, whom I call aka Ibongi Achawowo this time around.
The easiest name of you can call her is
okay. Some people might not understand. Yeah, him na aka Ibongi Achawowo. That is name area, and that is the name I will be calling her even in Biafra land. So for now, we're talking about Lazuba coming to join or having a space. Which space would Lazuba have in US government? Even in Nigerian government, can such a person have a position? Even I am seeing that this one is not a Biafran by her name, and she knew that she's not coming back there. She knows where she belongs. That is why she is doing all these things she will do. At a time, she will disappear. What of Shine? Shine Bobo, she's going back to Biafra land. No. She married a white man and doing her shenanigans. She knows that she's not coming back to be a. She has married and has where she will stay forever and ever. She will be talking.
Just a moment. Okay, Mr. Okebu. I hope you know your camera is on, or you don't know how to off it. Mr. Okebu. Hello, sir. Just a moment. I'm trying to unmute you. Please unmute your mic. Let's hear from you, Mr. Okebu. Are you aware that your camera is on, or should I just bring you down so you can off it? We cannot hear him. We cannot hear him. Please, if you can hear me, can you off your camera, please? There was. I think he has done that. And see how I don't know if you know how to unmute your mic as well. Please work on that. Your mic is not we are not hearing you. We are not hearing you. You have to unmute your mic, or you can go out and come back so that your mic will be activated. Chino, grab the mic. Chino, continue. Chino, no, we are up. Okay. Imo Udochukwu, let's hear from you.
Maazị ya dịrị unu na mma, Chineke gọzie unu. Ana m anụ elu Chidobe a na ihe ọ na-ajụ. Ana m atụrụ unu mma na ihe unu na-eme, na onye ọbụla agaghị ele nwaanyị dịka nwanne m nwoke kwuru, onye ọbụla na-ekwu. Obi tọrọ m ụtọ na ihe unu mega na ọ bịara na njedebe. Onye ọbụla na-ahụ n'otu o si na-eplay. Ya dịrị unu na mma, ya dịrị onye ọbụla na mma, ya dịrị Maazị Nnamdi Kalụ na mma, dịkwara no our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa, ma deputy ya Ngozi Orabeeze. Ana m atụrụ ha mma na ha mere anyị ọṅụ. N'Igbo dị taa bụ n'ọha nwa, n'Igbo dị taa bụ n'ọha nwa. Tikwara unu nwa ndị nọ na-achụ ndị Yoruba, ndị midia. Ana m anụ olu Maazị Chido. Ana m anụ olu ya. Unu jisi ike n'ọrụ. Akwa hụrụ nwaanyị isi red ahụ, adị m sure na kọt agwụla taa. Onye ọbụla atụpụrụkwala ya ọnụ because na ọwụ onye ara, ahụ na m ya ọwụ onye ara. Ọ ka na-epe ntị isi na eji ọla. Legoro ihe otu dịka onye ara pụta n'okporo ụzọ 3 evening. Taya ọ mara n'olu nọzi one corner. Chai, ihere emeghị ihe ọjọọ. Ihere emeghị ihe ọjọọ. Unu jisi ike, achọghị m ebe bịa nọ na-egbu oge. Jisi ike, Chineke gị nyere unu aka. Gị nwa unu nwa ndị midia ka m na-atụrụ mma too much more than. Ana m atụrụ ndị midia mma. Unu gbalịrị agbalị, Chineke gị dobe unu. Obi n'ụlere chefuo ego unu ga-ịrụta n'ọrụ. Na ọ nakwa agbakwa mbọ ọrụ, nakwa apụta ihe. Onwe ihe karịrị ya because ọbụla unu nwa ka eji ama ihe meganụ. Ma ọ gwa mmụta anyị nwana na homeland here, mma anyị maghị ihe meganụ. Mma kwa otu aka anyị ga-enọ ka ndị emumu. Bete o nyere anyị aka, anyị nwere mata. Unu gbalịrị agbalị. Ndị dum ma USB General because ọnụ nwa bụ ndị a maara ewetara Biafra, bụkwana ndị eji Biafra. Ọ dịkwana onye a ga-anapụkwana USB akara aka Chineke nyere ya because ọ bụ amamihe. Ma ọ bụ amamihe mmụnụ natazọhụrụ mma emeghu that redeclaration. Mmeme ya atọ. Mmeme ya because ihe akwa ha na-ame ha nwaanyị isi ọcha mere akwa dị a. Ọkwa ihe ha mere that day chọrọ ka hapụ ime that thing before change a date. Ọ ga-edoro unu na mma. Ala Igbo ga-egozi all of you. Biko na ndị okwu. Onye atụpụrụkwala ya ọnụ, ọ bụrụ na a ga-ịga kọtụ ọzọ na-agakwa ịga na kọtụ gị ikwu okwu. Ọ bụrụ ekwensu ya ahụ bịa, unu nwa na-agbara ya ọsọ dịka onye ara, ka ndị ara chụwara ya. Agbarakwa gị ebe agbara gị ebe, a nọtụkwa na asịkwa ndị polisi, unu bịakwana bịa jidetekwa na onye ara akwanụ, marakwanụ ma ọ ga-enọtụkwa n'ọdụ. Biko, alụgbuole ya bụ na alụgbuole ya, ọ na-ebe akwa, ọ maghị ihe ọ ga-eme. Ihe ndị ọ na-emewu, ọ dị ka agwọ egbubere ọdụ, ya chọwa ebe ọ ga-aga ịta ya eze n'osisi were nwụruo. Ọ ihe ọ na-eme ihe a na. Biko, na mbọsị nta chọọ na owere nchi.
Ndewo. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. All right. There's a video that I want to play before we end. Where's that video?
so much. Thank you.
So let's hear this because I have not played this on air. No, not this one. Not this one.
Very, very.
Not this one. This one is about 2 minutes video, if I'm not mistaken. About 2 minutes video there. Okay, this is it.
So, yes, one more time. What gone? So, what's your experience today in the court, and then what can you say about the judgment, and then which message do you have to the people of England?
Yes, today the message I'm sending to all of Biafrans all over the world is all what you are doing is never in vain. Today, from the experience I saw from the judge, this judge is not someone who would like to turn his nation to be his country to be tarnished, the image of the country to be tarnished. No, he's a very, very, very upright man. He said, I have heard all the arguments, I have heard everything. But you know the most interesting thing? When the court begins, the prosecutor could not be able to say anything at all in regard of this very case we are here. He keep on telling us about the conflict all over Europe, Asia, everywhere, what they did. That doesn't even have anything to do with Biafra and Nigeria. With all long explanation, but the PM defense lawyer could be able to go a counter argument, trying to pull every violation from Nigerian government towards Biafran people by express the way our people is being slaughtered. Then the judge has no other cause to say, I've really had enough. Then what we have to do, everything we end up in next month, so that I can give you chance, you guys that come from different parts of the world, to go home and reflect of all what we have done in this very court. That's what I can tell Biafrans today. We are on the winning side. Everything is over.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Highly grateful.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
All right. That was Ben Chooks. So please, my people, we are gonna wind down now. We have done our best to give you updates. I believe everybody have. I believe you already know what the. You already know what the judgment and everything, what happened in the court and the decision that they made and everything. So, but there's something I want to say because I don't want to talk about Lazuba. You can bear me witness that since we started this live stream, I did not comment on anything that Lazuba said out there because, to be honest with you, if PM comes out like after everything, and Lazuba still remain near anything at all, I cannot promise you my stand. I'm not gonna lie to you. But for now, let's just keep it jelly. Now because Oyo Balanketi, if on the media no. So let me take it that way. Because PM have not said anything. I'm not expecting him to say anything either. I'm not blaming him for not saying anything. But once again, Oyo Balanketi, if on the media no. Because now Oyo Bana quarter we bacharigan. Everybody know the coloto or we bacharigan. You don't just stand up for standing sake. There must be reason why you stand up. You don't just stand up because your leg is can carry you. No, it's either you stood up for just to stretch yourself or you want to go somewhere. Lazuba, it was only a criminal like her that will stand to defend her. It's only somebody who has been contracted, like she has been contracted, we look at her and say, yeah, that or I'm mad, no. And one thing about criminals is that they may fight each other, they might fight themselves, but the moment they see themselves in one location, robbing each other, robbing people, sorry, they're not going to fight themselves. You see them, they will team up. But after that, once they finish from that scene, they will go out there to fight, to start dragging what they have loot from other people. So that is exactly what it is. That's why you can see the friendship, the togetherness of Chomo Koma and Lazuba and all these things. These are the same bed of the same feather. So I'm not expecting them to stand on the side of the truth or to be upright. No, they are not wired to be so. They have sold their hands in many things that it will take them time to clean up. Some of them cannot clean up because of the level of the atrocities they have committed. I am not expecting them to behave well. No. If I tell you that I'm disappointed, no, that means I'm lying to you. How can I be disappointed when I already know what I'm meant for? So, Chomo Koma is not a teenager. So I believe she know what she was doing 2023. She know her level. And she's a professor. So academically, she's sound. That's what they made us to believe. But how about morally? How about her culturally? So that's where the question comes from. When we talk about people that are well trained or people that are well disciplined, you can't count them. They have proven that not one, not two, not three. The moment Sona Akbarawa and Maza started talking about Biafrans declared, USB declared on social media, why Biafrans were still in Finland after declaration, and these people with this as big as Sambodo decided to side them, decided to start acting abnormal. That's where you should know who they are. Because somebody who is sensible, do you know that Dorothy today look more honorable, more decent than all of them? I'm just telling you because I've not seen anyway. Maybe she belonged to one camp doing what she's doing. Apart from Dr. Age fronting some people, which I would have counted her also, but I can now rate Dorothy than before Dr. Age. I know Dr. Age is watching my video. I know she's following us. She's following us here. Well, she know what I'm talking about because I told her one-on-one also. If you know that you are not contented with the environment that Biafran find themselves today, all you need to do is to step back and maintain your peace. Look at Oyami. Look at Oyami. Can you compare Oyami with the other guys? No. Whether he's doing something behind the scene, I don't know. But don't care for now, I can make. You don't just wake up and begin to act nonsense, act abnormal, and expect people not to talk about it. Some of them say, "This boy, you don't have respect." How can I respect you when you can't even respect yourself? Ordinary to recognize yourself, you can't even recognize yourself. You not actually get respect. You went to Finland. Am I the one that purchased your etiquette? You went there and lodged there. Some of them went with their husband. As you can, some of them went with their husband. You spend your time only for you to come back and start looking for respect from people. Somebody, an innocent man like me, that I wasn't there in Finland. Did I send you? You went and video yourself, record yourself, publish it, announce yourself. Then you made me to see your activities in Finland. I saw it. Then my problem is that I am able to remember, to memorize what you did in Finland that you are practically denying and want me to take you serious also. You put your one leg in 100 men and put your one leg again in Brigade, then you put your one leg again in Igbo Congress Union, then you are having dining and whining with Avis. Then you are invited in Finland, Igbo Guinea Congress, and Igbo na Finland to represent PM, but you cannot show me any clip of PM in the midst of this organization when he was free. So when we talk now, your problem is me. You never, I mean, you are not serious. You must define what you are doing before I can take you serious. And to some of you jumping from pillar to pole, expecting people to turn blind eyes because the level of your idiocy is, I mean, even a blind man can feel it. You are praying now, oh, make this guy go blind. Oh, he go blind first. We are seeing what you are doing, for crying out loud. Dishing out memo without any reason. We are very lucky. Benchus has just called. Let's hear him. There was a.
Ayi, onwe ihe m chetara m chọrọ egwu Igbo. Biko after.
Please, no. Who is talking? Please mute your mic.
And when you are traveling with some women,
yeah, I understand.
They distracting so much, you know. They won't allow you to do do your own things.
Yeah.
When they start talking, yeah. Are you still on the air?
Yeah, I am still on the air. People are hearing your voice.
Oh, wonderful! Oh, wonderful! Would you like me to just give you a breakdown of what's happening?
There's one important question that is bothering everybody. You know, most of us are not actually saturated based on the information out there for now. Can you tell us, is it true that the judge said that PM will be free on September?
Let me give you how it works.
All right,
okay.
Go on.
Let me give you a breakdown of how it works. You know, so this court started around 9:30 in the local time here, around 800 GMT London time. You know, then when the court just started, then the prosecutor spent considerable time explaining this international example, relevance of war, some declarations of war all over Europe and some other places like Asia. You know, he really like Macedonia and Albania. So when he was giving all this conflict happening everywhere, everybody was just keep calm because he was so giving all this information in their language. And the defense lawyer for PM was giving also a time as well to make his own declaration and his own argument. Then the defense goes further, presenting all the Nigerian activities, what they been doing in Biafra land, how they are killing our people, how they are using sit-at-home in order to slaughter many people. Even some of the Boko Harams that is mixed up with the Nigerian military alongside, you know. But after at the end of our defense lawyer argument, then the judge again go up and ask the prosecutor, do you have anything to counter all this argument the defense lawyer has stated? He said no. He asked again, is there anything he found that he doesn't like or he want to argue on it? He said no. Then the judge said, okay, fine. For mine, I don't have any other objection. I have seen everything now from prosecution and the defense. What happened now? I will give you guys who came here to witness the whole court for you to go to your previous places. Now, by the September, the court will give their final verdict. They didn't how he put it. So immediately he said this, but immediately he after asking that question to prosecutor, do you have anything to argue? He said no. Then the man they called Papa Simon, you know, started clapping, you know. Then he looked aside to that, see what a PM with his defense lawyer. Everybody, all of them were smiling, you know. So Papa Simon was clapping. The man said, the verdict will come by September. Then as we just rise up, victory is ours. We have nothing to say anymore. So everybody started jubilating. They see how it goes.
Okay.
So, yes, the lawyer, the judge did not give final verdict. The final verdict is going to come by September.
Okay.
Which the court will still go back, revise to see if at all they will find anything argumentable or anything the prosecutor. Today, it was really something surprising. The prosecutor could not be able to give anything in reference to Biafra or anything we are doing. He was just giving example of the conflict in Yugoslavia, Albania, Macedonia, and how United States of America and Europe intervene, and give their own resolution. Then the whole conflict finished.
Okay.
Then how come about that to our own case? So then at the end, the judge was laughing, and that shows that yes, we got the verdict. And Simon himself come and said, I told you, nobody should cry anymore. Nobody should worry anymore. We have won the case. So, because everything, there's no interpreter today. They didn't want to give us any interpreter in English. So they were saying everything in their own language, their local language. But sometimes we got to catch
what I'm trying to say.
The defense lawyer, how he's mentioning some things, giving us some enlightenment of how things start. Then from there, we could be able to follow up. I will send you a kind of a transcript of the action of what I experienced there.
Okay.
And then it can also show it to people to know exactly what has transpired in the courts today.
All right. That would be awesome. Okay. It's not. You see, that's one thing I love about Benjus. He don't cut anything or add anything. He will just tell you the way it is, not to make you happy, but to give you the facts. Just like what you did last week, Benjus. You are the first that told us what happened in the courts. Even though while you are giving us that update, some fallback recruited war getter was busy here on the comment section trying to counter what you were saying. Then I just ignored them because I know they were trying to distract that in powerful information. It didn't take 24 hours. Then the real proof of what you said surfaced. And that was why I was trying to tell Obi-Wan not to mention your name yesterday when we
Yeah, I caught it. Sometimes some people can frame what they like.
Yeah.
It doesn't make any sense.
No,
we are there for the truth.
He was there. He was trying to praise. He was trying to praise you, but you don't know that he tried to danger one or two things. Using your name. So I don't like that. But thank you so much. Thank you, Benchix. God bless you. And dear friends, we have heard it from horse's mouth. You want to say something?
Yes, I know most Biafran. If you watch the videos I sent, you can see the activities of all these idiots. The white painted head woman, and how today was. I don't know how. Today is kind of. I don't know whether maybe she didn't take her medication today.
No.
So they believe that this woman inside the court premise before PM left, immediately the court is over. Then PM has opportunity to impress people, to greet people one by one. This woman was telling PM, they carry all of them came here with enchantment and with all.
No, we heard it now. It was recorded in the video. It was recorded in the video. Okay.
Yes, you can hear the voice.
PM told him to stop. Told her to stop.
PM said, stop. I've told you stop. Stop.
Okay, it was that. Okay, that was why she was saying that I will not stop until you come out.
Exactly.
Okay. Okay.
Comes out. You know, it's something spectacular. I've never seen somebody. You pretend you are defending him or you want to care for him, but he has seen all the mess you are messing around. So stop. He said he's not gonna stop until he comes out. Then he will stop. Even in the morning, he was just kind of carrying his hand into her bum. It's like I didn't want to video. I can't just record this kind of nonsense.
You can already record it. I know that. Don't bad.
Yeah, I think
Mazi Chuks, yeah, the best part we can record.
Okay, I thought someone maybe
something different now, honestly.
Man, choose one thing about I don't know about other people. One thing about if you come out in public and just to naked your body, it's not a crime that I see your body do. You understand?
Exactly.
No, I'm just saying. I understand what they're saying.
This is for me, it is an honor. You know, it's completely an honor. It's very, very bad. It didn't put you in a very good shape.
She will deny it. She will deny it tomorrow. Or the makeup because in here an omen. It's an omen. Or the make a record doy.
Even I saw the architect of the problems, the one they call Imam. It was like a fortune beating the rain today. You know, very shame.
Who want to say something?
I want to say something.
How everybody was moving. They couldn't even believe it. You know.
Don't worry, Imam Madabo and Jomo Okoma and Bryce Okoma have a very big question to answer. Very big one. Very big one.
Honestly, I don't think that the trouble that they will be facing from this time around, they'll condole it.
Lazima on is just one thing. I just need one thing from PM or from their friends. Just one thing. Lazuba, I don't want to hear. Let us hear her own side of the story. My own is just. With that,
Bam.
I'm not entertaining. Oh, what is your anger? No, I'm not entertaining. Okay, we suspend you. No, even if they will sack it. Do you understand?
I believe. PM is going to give this woman a kind of
yes, I think Ocean Master was telling us yesterday that
when she finally gained his freedom.
Of course. I don't know. I'm looking for a video of Ocean Master said that there was a video that Kenena was playing of this woman saying that she will sue PM, something like that. That if PM comes, that I don't know, but please, if anybody of you that have that video, I would like you to share it to me if possible.
Have you seen all the videos I've already sent you? Have you opened them?
We have played every video you sent. There are 3 numbers, 3 videos.
Okay. Maybe
one is
maybe she shoot that one outside completely. By saying it wasn't inside the premises where that she is closer to host, you know. But mostly all the mess and nonsense she was saying, I could be able to record some of the voice because I have to go closer in videoing other people in order to abstract her voice, what she's saying, you know. So because I don't want to take her picture and because I seen her as a completely menace to every situation. I don't. That woman woman is really, it's not somebody, it's someone can come closer anymore.
No. She need to go away. She need to. In fact, it's a must. It's a must. She need to go. She need to go. That thing that she thinks she can do. Let her go and do her worst. Let her bring it on.
How I see her now, she's trying to play a kind of a game, a role, camouflage, so that PM say, this woman is caring for me, or people. But even
we have seen that.
It's completely even fire is better than her.
Benchus, the thing is that this woman, if that tactics cannot work on PM, because there was a video of PM some time ago. I think PM was warning her that how can you say you care about me, you love me, you trust me, you respect me, but you can't respect people that I assigned to do one or two things, people that are working with me. PM have said this in the past. So why I'm saying this is that tactics, you can't say this kind of market to PM. PM is not going to buy that. But if PM choose to buy it, we are going to run program. I'm not going to lie.
Biko, I got run. Thank you so much. Yes.
We'll run program. I'm not going to. That's my own. We'll run program,
I will stop everything I'm doing.
Biko unu asọpụta biko kwanụ unu akwụsịla biko unu onye ọbụla ma ihe omeme biko na ekwensu
no, I said I will forfeit everything I'm doing just for adult to make sure that adult will put me in a place. I will put everything stop. I will stop everything I'm doing personally. Focus on adult. I get put through this lady where she belongs. Otherwise, we cannot continue like this.
Mgbe ọkụ nụchara girigiri ọ gala na katakata biko eno ọkụ nụcha girigiri ọ gala na katakata onye ọbụla eme anya ọbụla eme ajisi ike biko ka PM pụtachagodi ọ pụta anyị hụcha ya den Nnamdi Kanu pụta anyị nwetakwana nye anyị chọrọ aka n'ụlọ anyị nga dịkwana shọn anyị lọrụ ole n'ụlọ anyị mara na otu anyị ga-eji kwuo okwu biko ọsọ ọ dịghị onye akpara agwa ọjọọ a na-agaghị anara m ngozi ụgwọ ọrụ ya even ya nwa mgbe our prime minister nọ na-ekwu icheke ihe ndị ka o play ọ sị no punishment dịrị onye ọbụla mere rubbish here o mgbe akwa Exodus na play yaram that this thing and Maazị Chido they do play all these things ana m ahụ mgbe ha na-play onye ọbụla arụ anya ọbụla ọrụ were obiọma obi ajọla unu njọ hapụ unu nwa anọ nga ahụ na ụmụ unu ga-egbochiri anyị nwa anọ n'ụlọ na ụmụnne ha anọ n'ụlọ na chọọ Chineke mere unu nwa ji n'ọhịa dị a unu nọ pịwa mgbe anyị lọtara ụlọ biko eno
Udodi, like I said, I can if PM chose to work with Chomo Koma, Bryce Koma, Imam Madab, all these people, my own is to remind PM what they did. I'm not gonna lie, I will run program and expose a few things, maybe a couple of days. But if for Lazuba, I swear I'll get take him 6 months. Lazuba.
Bros,
biko nwanne anyị nwoke a na-ekwu ihe a ọkwa ụnụ nwa ka anyị ji na-ekwu maka okwu a ụnụ ka anyị ji maka ọ na-ekwu okwu a stop bringing this attitude of ekwute okwu Lasuba asịwa biko na-eme please not for Lasuba we can hear about this begging on other people but not for Lasuba biko Lasuba 2 times Lasuba
unu nwande mara onye ọjọọ unu nwande mara ndị kpara agwa ọjọọ because oruwe ya dị nwe many party a ga-ekwu inwe many party mgbe ụfọdụ gba party edozi everywhere biko no
Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you.
Biko.
God bless you.
Onye
Allah
ọbụla
will kiss
kwukwara
you
na
if
o
you
mere
want to
afọ.
go, sir. Ndewo.
Biko.
Thank you, sir. All right. Let me respond to this our brother here in the studio that begging for a dojo. Let me. I don't want to quote you wrongly. Please, can you repeat what you said, please?
Yeah, I want to hear him kuga before. Emma ndị omerụ ala kwokporo aja na-akpọ Eastern Governor ezukọ na ha sị na a ga-aga release Nnamdi Kanu na ha ga-ekwu okwu ya. On 15th of August, emere ha test run. That test run failed ha. Ana ha achọ inye anyị not Nnamdi Kanu bikon. Ọ nọ n'ihi ọ nọ na ana m aga n'ije mmụọ, ana m aga na mmadụ. So anyị chọrọ mbọsị ha ga-ekwu okwu a na-erelease Nnamdi Kanu ikwu nne Nnamdi Kanu ga-anọ ya. Ọ bụghị barista ga-confirm. Ọ bụ
hold on, sir. Ihe na-ajụ gị ife ikwu maka Lazo bụ ọbụ maka Nnamdi Kanu. It's like ka ife ikwu maka Lazo. Ka ọ bụla ọgwa kwuru ya.
O nwere ihe m kwuru banyere Lazo. Asị m Lazo abụghị ihe anyị ga-abịa akpagba ụka ya kịta. Ma si ndị anyị ji n'aka ka ha pụta chekene. Anyị ma ihe anyị ga-eme Lazo ọwụ onye. Illiterate ọ na-achọ obodo. Illiterate ọ na-achọ obodo. So onye na-ekwu okwu ya sị ka anyị wepụta ugbu a ka anyị mebigodu ihe na-eji ihe ọma na-eme. Anyị ma na o mere, anyị makwana nga ọ nọ. Ma ndị niile ma vamvampa ma onye ọbụla n'ime ha anyị macha ebe ha nọ. Onye na-ejighị vidiyo ha eji ya. Enwere m hard drive m ji rekọd ha niile ihe niile ha mega since anyị siri Finland bata eji m ha ncha. So ụjọ atụ n'ụlọ onye nọ anyị na-akpọ ya kedu PM na Maazị na-ele ha lechaa ha nyezie ha judgment. Ha don't worry. Ana ha agba egwu okoso. So ọ wee ihe m kwugo over it. Nke ọzọ bụ
ife bidoro okwu abụ that na asị m that na PM pụta. Okay. Lazo baka nọrọ na Biafra ọ brigi USB nke ọbụla ọkara eso PM na-eji ọbata obi na mụwa n'ebe na mmara ọdụ program. You know what?
Okay.
Not one program, not two programs. Assume na mma braga maybe na mma braga ya for if ndị mmadụ gbasa.
Yeah, we can do. I support the program on that, but all can then put that. Only the one him. Yes.
Onye nna m ekwuta na nne hit n'obi m na maka because onye mere president of South Africa mgbe akpọpụtara ya na-akpọ ndị ahụ ya si na ya wetara onye ndị British mere ya ka anyị mara otu a ga-esi mee ekwu ekwutara na biko unu USB biko because ọnụ nwa ka mma na emere anyị nwara na homeland ya anyị nọ na problem even though tam nọ ya n'ime ụlọ m na unu na-ekwu na ọ maka duto na Chineke jọsụrụ mara otu o ji na-eme mmadụ ọ bụrụ mana ọ dị adị biko unu nwa anyị ihe kwutara na because ịma o nwere mgbe maazị kwuru this thing site na mgbe akpọpụtara Nelson Mandela na ọwụ Nelson Mandela na nwunye ya gbanahara ya sị na ọwụ di ya. And that kind of mgbe Buhari ewulichara Buhari before Maazị Nnamdi Kanu kwuwe this thing. Now ọkwa ihe British chọrọ ime anyị so that ọ bụ ha magakwa nọ tinyekwa ndị ha chọrọ itinye eleghị anya mgbe ọ ga-apụta dị ya because o nwenye mpa ya gwara m dị anyị gara mụ na my disney kwuru gaa dị ya na mgbe ahụ ọ pụtara before ha bịa were egbe bịa ịgbagbu ya na yard.
Yeah, okay. May deliver the message. Ọ bụ na ichete o nwere onye a na-akpọ Bianca Ono onye akpọzina ya nke Ojukwu. Ọ bụ na gị cheko 2 weeks for now Omega celebration na ọ na ship nọ na mmiri na-agba egwu. Ha nwa nwere test run with the 4 governors of Eastern region akpapụrụ ha ofu onye aga m akpọ onye ha kpapụrụ ha. Onye aha kpapụrụ ọ bụ ikwu Nnamdi Kanu akpapụrụ ha gaa ha mee ha test run on 15th with cloning ha mere o failuru ha, then abịabe ha up again with ihe ha chọrọ ikwu na ihe ha ga-emezi. Ọ bụrụ na ha ụbọchị a ga-asị anyị na ndị DOS, ex-DOS nwere the idea of this thing. Ọ wee kpatara ịhụrụ ha na-eji alamenta ọpụta ugbu orego Biafra, orego eto ndị Fulani, all that thing. A gwara ha, they know what is going on. Ama ha ndị na-aga ije ya. I run on her test run on 15th. It didn't pass. Ha wan onwe ha gwara ya na pass. And time ha nyere ndị UN.
This word in test running. This word in test running is confusing somebody like me. I don't know about other people, but
I know that you can have here.
So
the test run now. The test run in ekwu na ekpọpụtara unu onye aha onye clone eme kpagharị agwa ya hụ ka onye aha ajọ ya ajụjụ ha na-ekwu okwu. Then o nwere ihe onye a ga-ekwu gị mara na ọ wụ onye gị. Otu eme already. It has been done. John Nnamdi Kanu ewere ya ọbara almost 36 times. And ewe ọbara ọ na-arịa ogene ka ihe abịaghị ewe ọbara eme. So it's been done. Oh no, somewhere now na Abuja.
Biko, my brother na-ekwu okwu. Ị chọrọ ịgwa m na all the lawyers n'ebe ahụ ga-anọ eklono Nnamdi Kanu. Unu ahapụ all this propaganda.
A na-ekwu ya now, ọ dịghị ka film. Ihe ukwu onye didebrewu onye ahụ ewepụta ya esun na onye ọbụla ọ gbaghara ya ọghara na Biafra ya onye ọbụla ihe niile ọ nọ Nigerian government all continue. Onwe ihe nwere ikwu, the word have had what he said. Ihe ọ gụsiri unu meme.
My brother, no go there. USB, as far as I'm concerned.
Please don't if I blow Kumba, let's just calm down. So you know that person hold on, my brother. So you know the person the person now can speak Afaruku, the language. The person now can now take question. Like normally take question for Biafrans.
Okay. So question yes. Question onye ha ga-take question na prepare gwere mega test run. That is one thing. Nji isi onye ọbụla
like American always make
no. Let me agwa gị, the people ha select when they ga do a question.
No,
brother,
Biafrans are going to ask Pastor Kanu question randomly like normally.
Mazi biko unetis na ihe a na ek una happy confuse our people to assess to assimilate this kind of news because
with all due respect, sir, I don't believe the news.
Biko nna unu na ihe m na-ekwu.
Yep.
An ma ihe na-ekwu.
Anyị na ihe m na-ekwu.
Yes.
Unu hapụ na okwu na ọ bụ nya na-ekwu n'elu all the USB ma nya ga-eme under ya because ya ha maka a ga-akpọpụtara ya ahụ. Because I Maazị Simon Ekpa, I na everything. Nothing is going to happen na that side. A ga-ekwu okwu ya, a ga-eju Maazị anyị ajụjụ ma ọ pụta ndị Biafra ga-eju, ndị USB ga-eju ajụjụ. So,
okay.
Maazị Kai, are you there?
Are you there? Ihe m chọrọ ikwu bụ after mgbe ị ga-ajụ ya ajụjụ after ọhụrụ na the whole world jụcha ya ajụjụ.
Okay, I want to say something very quickly here. Good morning, everybody. Please, this cloning, this thing must stop now.
Exactly.
Okay.
Must. We have redeclared Biafra November 29, 2024. And that is where we stand.
Okay.
This cloning thing must stop now. I insist. Maazị Kai, this is your platform.
Yeah, I understand. And we don't entertain this kind of that's why you see why the reason why we are waited for Chubenchu to come up for us to make sure that whatever you are passing here is authentic. You understand? So I don't know. I'm not saying that it's not possible, but for now, we are not. We
Okay,
don't
let's
need it
watch finger across and eye on the
This
ground.
is
Thank you.
not subject to discussion.
at all. At all. At all. It's out of it. It's out of it. God bless you, Madam Origin. Please, let's just end it. Thank you,
This
sir, for
discussion didn't happen on this platform.
yeah.
Yes.
We don't need it, please. Don't need it.
Thank you. I love that.
Thank
I
you
love
so
that.
much. And that
God
brings
bless
us
you.
to an end. That brings us to an end of this live stream. If we want to say anything again concerning what happened today, please 1 minute. Just start from any. Let me start from Edit. Let's hear from you.
I'm very happy because ekelekwenụ m ndị nọrọ na Finland nọgide ruo this hour. Ihe eji asị ndị mgbe my mom na-apụta eme ụmụ nwaanyị adreesị ọ sị ihe m adị n'otu berụsọ chi m na di m sị mọmị ịdị greedy. so ihe merenụ anyị jiri na-anụ ihe na-eme n'ụwa nwekwara ndị nke ọzọ nọ ebe ahụ wụkwa trusted informations, but in any condition I say God who has started these things, may he be at the beginning and the end forever and ever. N'aha onye nwe anyị onye kere ụwa kee mmadụ na-aga n'ihu isi.
Thank you so much. This is how to make submission. Adobe, are you with us? No, Adobe is busy at work. She's very, very busy. Okay, let's move to who again? Who is next? Let me expand this a little bit. Okay, Imo Udochukwu, grab the mic. 1 minute.
Thank you. Ya dịrị unu na mma. Dịka m na-ekwu biko, ana m asị nga ọbụla Maazị Simon Ekpa dị and Ngozi Orabueze nọ, Chineke nna onye eluigwe o chebe ha, meekwana ha ka ha mee ihe ha kwesịrị ime ka ọ pụta ihe ka ụwa ṅụrịa bịa ụmụ Igbo lọhịa ụtọ kwesịrị iji adị n'ụlọ ha. Aha nke Nna na Ọkpara na Mmụọ Nsọ. Biko ike na anyị nwa nọ n'ụlọ anyị mekpa ahụ dị biko nụ chichi ike nụ.
Ndewo. All right. Chioma Ibe. Let's hear from you. 1 minute. Okay, Chioma Ibe is busy. Madam Origin.
Hello, Mazika Indewo, Ihama Merege. I greet everybody, all protocols observed. Sorry, this is early morning my time. I just came in. I was listening halfway, honestly, but I needed to do that. So I have nothing to say now. I thank God for a few things I heard is that the verdict or whatever is coming in September, which is a few days from here. We thank God for everything. Looks good, everything. So we thank God. We thank everyone that took part in making sure that our Prime Minister is coming home. And that is to all Biafrans, to all his lawyers, to our own Papa, Dr. Masanga. God will bless him. Our DPM, all the cabinet members, everyone that have spent sleepless nights over this matter, nobody will go unrewarded. And one of our reward is that we have Biafra and we will build our nation. Everything else, blessing, we will not lose individually and collectively. God bless everybody.
Thank you so much, Madam Origin. Asatina.
Ndewo Mazi. Thank you so much. Yeah, we almost lost our attention, but thank God for God. Excuse me. Thank God for God. We are ending with victory, and that is what it's supposed to be. Because we thank God for Madam Origin calling us back to where we're supposed to be, not taking our attention to something that is not happening. It's not going to happen at all.
Not at all.
Yes, that is delusion. So, all Biafrans, rejoice, rejoice. This is prayer answered. It has happened to our favor, and we thank God. I want to use this opportunity to thank every Biafran that was in Finland, all of you, except those who went there with a different agenda that is personally known to them, not for Biafra quest. So thank you all for everything. You all contributed to this success, to this victory. And our reward is freedom. Thank you, Mazi Kai. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Asatuna. All right, I appreciate all of you, all our brothers and sisters that join us here in the studio, and of course our brothers that that are with us in the here in the comment section. Ekpa Justin, I see you. Choma Ibe, Kano, all of you. God bless you. Fidelix, I can't continue mentioning them. There are so many of you. Choma Ibe, you are back. I was calling you just now.
I can't hear you guys again.
We can hear you. We can hear you. Can you hear us? Hello? Hello? Open network. Network, yeah. Let me see if I will catch up. If I catch you up on WhatsApp. Network can hear so. Just a moment. Share my back. Okay. So let me see if I can call her, because I think her signal is not friendly there. Hello? Yes, we can hear you now. You don't if I in the studio. On network. Signal. Your voice is here on the air.
All right. My people. Yeah. So, just in conclusion, so we've seen how it's been going, and we are glad about the development. So, I just stand on what Madam Origin said. We shouldn't just say things like that, because for me, I don't believe it's true.
Just don't talk about it. Don't talk about it. Just talk another thing, please.
But however, I want to say that we have grown past that. We have grown past, that level you guys are talking about. We are standing on the USBG, and that is where we are. So anything that is happening on that side, whatever thing is their business, but what we know is that we are moving forward. We are moving forward, especially with the development today. So let us all be happy, keep on doing what we've been doing, coming together. Let us find time, anytime we find time to come together, continue what we've been doing, and I assure you victory is ours. Honestly speaking, victory is ours. The enemy is already trembling. I mean, shaking without control, because we are there. So may God bless all of us as we wait for our PM to join us. And honestly speaking, God has already taken absolute control. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. God bless you, Chomibe. We have somebody here called Owoka. Owoka, your network did not allow you to enter studio. You have been trying and trying and trying. I don't have your number. I would have called you on WhatsApp, and I showed my WhatsApp, here for those of you that are struggling to call in. But I don't think you manage. You have access to that number. Please don't see that I don't want you to join us. You are still here waiting, but it's what I can see. Device is not connected. Your signal is not strong. I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm just saying it for in case if I don't want to start thinking that Kairipo don't want to bring you in. No, your network is a problem. I kicked you out for you to come back. Then you came back, same thing still repeating itself. So I don't know what to do about it, and we have come to an end. Thank you so much, Stella. Thank you so much. God bless you for special. I say thank you, Mazekai. May God bless you and reward you for your support and grant your heart desires. Thank you so much. We also have my Spencer was kind of angry with me for allowing the man to talk. One thing, I did not follow him when he started. Okay, I was listening to Benchux to gather all the updates and why he was over talking because Benchus was saying something and the man was talking over Benchus. So I just allow him because I don't want to be angry today. No, because it's a very good day. So I was giving everybody that free license to do whatever they want to do. But he was taking advantage of that. If you can notice that I later asked him, can you please explain to us what you said about Adan Docho? So I was thinking that he was talking about Adan Docho. I didn't know that he was saying other things entirely. That was why he had that chance to spread that news. Anyways, please understand that part. Ngozi, Kawamomi, I see you. Biafrans, in God we trust. May Chukwu Okike Abiyama bless and protect all our leaders. Mazakai, God bless you for all you do, Ise, and bless you too. Amen, amen, amen. Asatina and Madam Origin and all of you here in the studio, Imo, Udochukwu, I appreciate you. Adobe, I appreciate all of you. See you again later in the evening. God bless all of us. Day one. Bye bye for now.